Hi everyone, welcome back to my live sessions. Today, day 9 p.m. Today I come back here to provide the valuable informations as usual. Today I bring it for you new equipment, that is Plasma Sterilizer. So Plasma Sterilizer, everything informations I'm going to share with you all. And in this live sessions, complete informations, it is 1 to 2 hours. It will be there, pin to pin. Every information I'm going to share here. Okay. So listen to carefully what I'm saying. And first of all, keep your mobile mute. Understand? Okay. First of all, keep your mobile. I am also keep my mobile mute and listen to carefully because of studying time. See, these my live sessions are very important, and my all live sessions is going to dedicate all biomedical engineers whoever working in biomedical engineering services. So create the awareness and good positive mind about the biomedical engineering purpose based on my experiences. I'm going to give you explanation in this way. Okay, right. So daily attending, daily engaging live sessions means because of it is a habit, it is a practice. That's why I coming here daily live sessions. Many more informations I'm going to give you my topics. Okay. So in my today I'm going to cover plasma sterilizer. So how look like and what are the parts are there, and what is plasma sterilizer, and which type of what are the types and temperature and what are the things, many things, many points I'm going to share here, and I'm going to give the live sessions in this topic. Okay. So in this live sessions, a very important topic. What I'm going to give you all informations, everything. Be careful and take it serious. And here, my disclaimer. I want to say, I'm not including any companies, any confidential, any things. I'm not escalating here because of it is the public. Okay, it is social media. So what are the basic things and necessity to all biomedical engineers? I'm going to share in my live sessions. Okay, as a citizen of the society, I'm taking care responsibility. I'm interested to give you all. So that purpose I come back here. Be energetic, be active. So good evening to everyone. Let me say, introduce myself. I'm Ganesh, State Regional Manager, Operations, Biomedical Engineering Services. Now I'm taking care state level operations. So lakhs of engineers, okay, lakhs of medical equipments, hundreds of engineers. So technical and non-technical staff we are managing. So that's why under the leading of the engineers, and we give the instructions to many engineers. So that's why my live session definitely many more engineers will support and useful. Definitely you can do perform your work. Okay. So after engage my live sessions, you will get a more information, multiple types, different types about the medical equipments. 100 plus medical equipments I'm going to give you all. Okay, 100 situations I'm going to share here. Almost 1487 videos I have uploaded and 12 lakhs views reached my channel. Thank you so much. So that's why I fixed it to provide valuable informations without taking single 1 rupee also. Okay, I'm not taking any single 1 rupee. Just engage my channel and catch my points and try to become a biomedical engineer in your life, right? So if you are doing biomedical engineering, so for that purpose, what are the things important I'm going to share with you all here today in this live sessions. I'm going to share and explain all things very clearly. And see, let me explain one by one what I bring it for you. I will show you. I will give the presentation because of my way of presentation. You know very well. So many engineers are following my channel, Biomedical Engineering with Ganesh. So that's why today I come back here to provide the valuable information. That's why listen to carefully. My intention, every engineer should have a proper knowledge about the biomedical equipments and management, and whoever want to grow your career. Understand? So for that purpose, what is the important, and while doing your duty, that time what skills are required, I'm going to share here because of after done my duty, I come back here. Our job is first priority. That's why listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Okay, whatever I'm saying here, because of you should become a good professional life and improve your professional life. That's why I'm saying here. I hope you're listening right now. Let me continue. Keep your mobile. Whoever interested, please engage and subscribe my channel. Today, plasma sterilizer purpose, we are going to discuss and many topics I'm going to explain and I'm going to share with you all because of these are the very important topic I'm going to discuss here. My valuable time I am going to contribution here. So that's why listen to carefully. Yes, good evening to all. Good evening to all. Okay, right. Listen to carefully. Now, here you are the listener. I am the speaker right now. This moment, let me explain all things because of very valuable information I am going to share here. Whenever you are doing your job, whenever you face the problem, that time nobody have opportunity. Okay, so that's why I'm thinking about all types of engineers globally. We are working in different states, different companies, different countries. That's why if I provide the information, it is going to record in my live sessions. That's why I'm going to say very clearly, pin to pin. Anytime, anyone can, anytime, anywhere can watch my session. That is the reason I'm going to record in my playlist. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Let me show you today what I bring it for you all. Let me start now. What's my presentation today? Come on. Yes, my dear engineers, students, and freshers, listen to carefully. Today I bring it for you all very important medical equipment. Medical equipment knowledge you may not get anywhere. So that's why I want to create the big platform. Today I want to cover, see here, Plasma Sterilizer Masterclass. Okay. Internal components, working PM, troubleshooting, safety, CSSD applications, and biomedical engineering interview questions. Okay. So these all things I'm going to explain here because of lot of things I want to escalate here in my live sessions today. 15/7/2026, Tuesday. Okay. Today which day? Wednesday. Okay, fine. Next 15/7/2026, 9 p.m. And in this topic, see here. Here I'm going to explain. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. First of all, what I'm saying, try to listen and try to focus and try to watch my session. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about what? Plasma sterilizer. Let's come enter into the topic right now. So these all topics today. Now I'm going to explain and I'm going to show you, give presentation because of this type of presentation is very important to all biomedical engineer. Here, whatever I'm going to share, everything for biomedical engineers and necessary points and recommend points as a biomedical engineer based on my 18 years of experiences. So different parts I have collected here to provide you and to give the instructions in my presentation way. In my presentation you can get it what is equipment and how look like equipment and what are the parts are there. So many components, so many parts which is related to the medical equipment I'm going to share here. You will get it through my channel, right? Yes, come on, let me show you. First of all, listen to carefully, my dear engineers. First of all, see here, take it serious because of life is very important. Time is very valuable, important. This time of opportunity you may not get it. That's why try to learn and try to focus and try to be on this channel in your life, right? Come on. Without time waste, without talking any other topics, let me engage right now. Today we are discussing about what? Plasma sterilizer. Okay. This equipment where we will get and everything I'm going to tell you. I'm going to give the presentation. Listen to carefully. First of all, we want to see here. See, and before this starting this session, I want to say what I'm talking only for complete plasma sterilizer. Okay, make, model, serial number basis. I will come back next live sessions. But here I'm going to cover the only plasma sterilizer basic things. What are the things important? Because every biomedical engineer should have a basic skill. So that's why I'm going to escalate here. I'm going to give the instructions in this way. Okay, right. See, this live sessions also why I started. Many engineers, many students, they have asked me. So that's why hundreds of engineers I am covering, but lakhs of people are there in the country level globally. That's why I want to make a live sessions in my presentation based on my real time hospital experiences. So definitely 100% I'm trying to give you very valuable information. Let me engage right now. Come on. Okay. Come on. Yes, my dear engineer, see here. First of all, I want to show you. See here. This one, see here. Low temperature plasma sterilization for heat and moisture sensitive instrument. Okay. So this is the main plasma sterilizer. See here. How look like? When you show the equipment, then you have to find out what is equipment and what is that you have to say as a biomedical engineer. For that purpose, many engineers, many juniors, many seniors, many freshers, many senior biomedical engineers also whoever may not have an idea about this medical equipment, try to listen what I'm saying. Okay, take it positive way, because of I'm coming here to give the live sessions for a medical equipment purpose. I'm coming positive way as a senior biomedical engineer now leading as a state regional manager operations. Under me hundreds of engineers are there. That's why I want to give you in this way live sessions, right? Okay, come on. First of all, see here, my dear engineers, I hope you are listening right now. See, this is the plasma sterilizer. How look like? See, for example, okay. And touch screens here. I'm going to show you every parts, everything, every label parts. Then you can understand. And touch screens here, control panel, label also see here. Okay, USB port, data port, and door handle, sterilization chamber. Okay, this one sterilization chamber, and air intake filter. Okay, this one, and power switches. See, access panel or maintenance door. See, why I am giving these all informations? Because of, first of all, anyone, biomedical engineers, before provide the services purpose, you should know these all things. What is what, basic equipment, and what are the functions, everything need to know. And proper notes is very, very important. Proper education is very, very important. Proper senior guidance is very, very important to perform your duty. Understand? So that's why duty time everybody busy. That's why I have selected this live sessions. It is my personal intention, because if I want to create the social awareness about the biomedical engineering to improve the biomedical engineering strength. Okay, right? Come on. This is the complete view of this plasma sterilizer. If you take any make model, that is going to different features, but main functions what I have sharing here, those all things are same for every plasma sterilizer. Okay, depend on specifications, it is going to vary. And let me say what is the definition of the plasma sterilizer. See, so this type of presentations may not available in the social media. Understand? This type of presentations and explanations and everything practical ways nobody give in the social media. I have checked in all YouTube channel. Okay, so this type of deep explanation, unique way, nothing is there. Okay, that's why I have bring it for you. Let me say what is the definition of the plasma sterilizer. I'm going to read it and listen to carefully. And see here, in my presentations, my dear engineers and students, whoever working as a biomedical engineering in services, see, a plasma sterilizer is a low temperature sterilization system. Okay, keep in your mind, because of for to knowing purpose and to perform the work purpose, you have to resolve the issues. Whatever sharing here, definitely you will get a great point. Okay, right? Come on. A plasma sterilizer is a low temperature sterilization system that uses hydrogen peroxide vapor and plasma energy to destroy all microorganisms, including bacteria, virus, okay, fungi, and spores on heat and moisture sensitive medical devices. Okay, this is the very simple way I have provided the definition, because of as a biomedical engineer you should have a proper information about them. Because of as a biomedical engineer, you have to focus on multiple medical equipment. That is 100 types of medical equipment we have. If you are a perfect in 100 medical equipment, you are the specialist in biomedical engineering. Okay, so every sessions I'm going to give you in my live sessions, my end of the session intention what, every engineer should be a specialist in biomedical engineering. So that's why whoever keep interest, whoever keep efforts, definitely you will get a great experience through my channel, right? Come on, I hope you're getting that now. So let me go one by one point regard plasma sterilizer. I'm going to explain here, because of I'm very interested, and I don't miss every way. Okay, every day, daily 9 p.m. Daily 9 p.m. I will be here and try to engage right now. Okay, right? Come on. Now definition completed. Now come here, my dear engineers. Listen to carefully. If you are zero, also nothing to worry. Okay, try to become a hero by engage my live sessions and try to subscribe my channel. Okay, whoever engage my channel, subscribe now. Right, come on, let me continue. Working principle, see here. Working principle of plasma sterilizer. See, here my way of notes and way of explanation, because of if you want to learn any topics, proper learning is important and proper notes is important, because of every equipment have a bulk of informations available, but where to apply and where to need for all biomedical engineer purpose what? Biomedical engineer what will do in hospitals? Biomedical engineer can do repair the equipment and service the equipment, troubleshootings and everything operated by the biomedical engineer. At the end of the day, complete decision taken by the biomedical engineer. That's why whatever points need to follow, please listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Okay, right? Come on. Working principle of plasma sterilizer. I'm going to read out now, and I'm giving the presentation here. It is visible right now also. Okay. Because of, see, if I'm talking here, if I'm giving the presentation, then you will get a confident, yes, senior biomedical available in online. So YouTube channel. So definitely, if I have doubt, definitely will get a clear full on doubts. Then you will get a confirm. Yes. And my intention is I want to be clearance about your doubts, and I want to give the clearance and confirmation about your course and life. Okay. Because of so many engineers, 5 years completed, 10 years completed, but still they may not have any idea. They may not have confidence about the biomedical engineering. But biomedical engineering is the excellent field. Understand? So that's why I want to give you such a valid information based on my experiences, 18 years of experience. Okay, let me come to the topic right now. Working principle of plasma sterilizer. See here, listen to carefully. Hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Okay. See here, hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Okay. Hydrogen peroxide was H2O2. Vapor is introduced into the sealed chamber, and R of energy converts into plasma ionized gas, which generates reactive species free radicals, ions, UV photons that break the cell structure of microorganisms. After the cycle, H2O2 breaks down into water, H2O and O2. Okay, that is the formula. See here, H2O2 is gives rise to see here, plasma 2 H2O plus O2. This is the formula of the chemistry. Okay, that's why important. Every subject is very important when you're studying time. That's why in diploma time also, in BTech time also, first year we have a subject chemistry, physics, chemistry. Why? Because of every principles linked into the all scientifical. Yes. So that's why font not visible. Okay. I'm going to zoom it right now. Okay. Right. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Now I'm going to read because of I think some settings need to change. Let me continue. I will tell you whatever you are not getting. Okay, right? Come on. Now see here. This is the hydro working principle. This principle why these equipments are available in most where laboratory only. Okay, so laboratory purpose. These are the working principle. I hope again I'm going to read out now. Listen to carefully. Hydrogen peroxide vapor is introduced into the sealed chamber. Okay, R of energy converts it into plasma, which generates reactive species like bracket. I don't read. Okay, you can see it, and that break the cell structure of the microorganisms. After the cycle H2O2 breaks it down into water and oxygen. See, simply what will do this function, only microorganism to kill the microorganisms through proper cycle. We can do the functions. Okay. Now, what is plasma membrane? Okay, plasma sterilizer. I'm going to say here. See. Okay, see here I'm focusing all biomedical engineer's way. Okay, because of whoever working as a biomedical engineer responsibility what, to provide the services, to take care of the medical equipment, to do the preventive maintenance, to do the calibrations and instant responses, and to get in working condition. That is the major responsibility of the biomedical engineering. Okay, so whoever operating the technicians, that lab technicians, they will operate continuously, and we have to give the user training. For your user training purpose, this live sessions it is going to very useful. Okay, but I'm giving 1 to 2 hours session, but you have to select it, and if you have a doubt, just ask me. Based on your doubt, I will give the instructions. Okay, right? Come on, let me go one more topic, one more point. Troubleshooting. See here. Now, is it clear, visible? My dear engineers, my students, whoever engage my sessions, is it clear? I'm going to zoom down right now. Troubleshooting here. See, troubleshooting, why I am taking? Because of troubleshooting is the basic point of biomedical engineer. Okay. Biomedical engineer is a what? Problem solver. So problem solver means what? In medical equipment, whenever you get a complaint from the hospital technician, many problem will be there. Understand? So maximum problems we can operate, we can resolve the issues by doing troubleshooting, settings, proper advice, and proper handling the equipment. Then we can reduce the issues of the medical equipment, and we can maintain the reliability of the services. Okay, so that's why very valid information and useful information I'm going to share here, and listen to carefully. And whatever you have doubt, just give me comment in my live sessions, and let me continue, let me finish all things. After end of this session, I will engage with you all comments. Okay, right? Come on, come to the point. Troubleshooting. So troubleshooting what? Problem, causes, and resolutions. Very important. and every engineers also want to know these all points as a biomedical engineering. Okay, and live also as a state regional manager, I'm working in a top level category. So many times we give the instructions to the engineers to resolve the issues, whoever have doubt. Yes, come on, let me say what are the troubleshootings of the plasma sterilizer. Cycle not start. Okay, whatever complaints we are getting, we are receiving, those points only you have to focus and you have to listen right now. Okay, my live session is unique way. This type of live session is not available anywhere. Okay, right? Thank you, Yusuf. Thank you. Listen to carefully what I'm saying. Okay, right, come on. So see here, see these all things, practical things only I'm sharing here. Understand? Because if I'm giving presentation means if I'm talking normally, so many engineers not understand. So many people are not understand. So that's why I'm giving presentation and sharing experience, and the same time what are the main protocol of the medical equipment I'm going to say here. Right? Come on, come to the point right now. Troubleshooting of the plasma sterilizer cycle not start. Okay, whenever you get a complaint from the hospital, don't get panic, don't get fear. Okay, don't try to escape from that area. Okay, and that time what to do, sir? If you ask me, then keep quiet and behave dignity, discipline, and try to communicate with the hospital management. Sir, ma'am, I'm a biomedical engineer, I got a complaint from that department. So what problem is there, sir? Can I know? Let me know, sir. So if they are not ready to say, simply not working, then you have to attend and visit and check it one by one. What the things need to check it, I will tell you. Try to follow my instructions. Definitely will have a bright future. Come on. And cycle not start was what? Check door power settings. Okay. First of all, these all things instructions very important. And see, in these live sessions, I'm going to show you internal components and internal parts also, because of these are the very rare opportunity. This type of to know the information all medical equipment, that is a very challengeable task in the competitive society. If you pay a lot of money also, you may not get it. Right? Come on. Now cycle not start, what you have to do? Okay, cycle not start. Then what the problem? Check door and power settings. These are the very important. Sometimes what happen, the door not properly closed also, then leaking will become. Then what happen? Cycle not will start, because everything working as based on the sensors. Right? Right, keep notes in your mind. And cycle about, see here, check H2O2 level, vacuum leaks. Okay, these are the before start the cycles, before start the equipment. As a biomedical engineer, not operating there. Okay, but whoever technician will be there, that person should be knowledge. And if they do not have any idea, as a biomedical engineer, you have to give the instructions to the technician, because of at the end of the day, complete responsibility of the biomedical engineers only. That's why if you give the instructions, it is very helpful to our services, our performance. Right? Yes. Next here, long cycle time. See here, check filters and vacuum system. Okay. What are the important things you have to follow? These are the very important. If you not follow, then you will get a trouble and you will stuck in this mission, because of if you get a complaint, sometimes what happen, within half an hour it will be recovery. Okay. We can resolve. Sometimes what happen, complete day also happens, cycle not pass. Then what we'll do? Then as a biomedical engineer, you are providing services multiple way, and lot of complaints also available in the hospital. You have to perform multiple calls. Understand? A biomedical engineer have assigned per day, senior biomedical engineer assigned per day 10 to 5 to 10 calls assigned by the management and hospital. That's why they are paying salary also. Yes or no? So for salary purpose, we have to do the work. Here my live session, what I'm focusing, you are doing your duty, you are focusing your duty. While doing your duty, if you have any problem, then engage my live sessions. No pay. Okay, no need to pay anything for me, and you have to pay concentration, you have to pay interest about yourself to do perform your duty. Okay, and everything professionally you have to be finished. That is way I'm going to support here. Right? And long cycle time, see here, check filters and vacuum system. Okay, and here I'm showing you, see here, what are the points, then you can understand. Now see here, high residual H2O2. Okay, these are the messages come where display of the plasma sterilizer. Okay, so display what messages, errors will come, then we have to catch it. Okay, what are the errors and everything I'm going to tell you right now. Listen to carefully. And now troubleshootings I'm going to share with you all. High residual, see here, H2O2. Okay, hydrogen peroxide. Check aeration system, and error codes happen. See here, refer technical errors. Okay, these are the first of all step to step. Try to listen and try to learn, because of, see, this all information today I am giving, today I am capable means 18 years of experience, different companies I have worked, and I have served also as a senior biomedical engineer, as a technician, different way designations I have crossed in my life. Today I am capable to give you all informations. Okay, so that's why first day you have to be initiate, and you have to be perfect about the all one by one, step to step you have to learn, right? Right, come on. So if you have zero knowledge also, no problem. If you engage my session, definitely starting words for pin to pin I'm going to share here. Now troubleshooting, these are things you have to do it while doing your duty as a biomedical engineers. Okay, right, come on, let me go one more point. See, technical errors examples. Okay, these are the very important, because of whenever you see the equipment, whenever you get a complaint from the hospital, then you should be clarity and don't waste of your time and try to follow. And definitely if you do not have any confidence, just that time give me comment in my live session, sir, I'm a biomedical engineer, I'm in front of the mission, sir. I watched your channel, sir, but today I'm not that much confident, sir, but I need support, sir. Give me comment like that. Definitely based on the comments, I will be there to support you to resolve the issues wherever you have problem. Okay, come on. Let's come to the point right now. Technical errors. See here example, my dear engineers. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here and try to take it professional way. See, technical errors I'm going to say, then what are the things important, what are the things need to focus. Those are the things very important to every biomedical engineer to provide the services. Okay, right, come on. And technical errors example, see, I'm going to read out now. Technical error 1, door not closed properly. Listen to carefully. These are the minor things, but it is going to create the big things, big problems, and that is going to stop the mission also. Okay, listen to carefully. Take it serious what I'm saying here. And see here, technical errors examples here. Technical error, door not closed properly, number 1 point. Technical error 2, low H2O2 level. And number 3, see, technical error 3, vacuum failure. And number technical error 4, plasma generation failure. And number 5, see, technical 5 error, high temperature. And technical error 6, aeration timeout. See, these are the technical errors, but regularly we are not facing this type of complaint. Okay, see, today I'm giving me, so when at any situations, anytime you will make it a problem. Understand? As a biomedical engineer, we cannot say what is the problem when will come. We cannot imagine also, because of this is the medical field. So at what situation patient will come, at what situation patient equipment need to connect, we cannot imagine also. Okay, because of an emergency purpose, we are here to provide the services as a biomedical engineering. So that's why if you are doing as a professional biomedical engineer, these are the things very important while doing your duty. Okay. See, if you want to grow your career, then you have to follow the skills. Skills are very important. Skills are the key for success in biomedical engineering. Okay. Money is important for everyone, but if you passion your work, definitely money, fame, everything will come back to you. I believe that, because of still today also I'm doing, and today I'm reaching top level category also, still I'm learning, still I'm doing many things, and I'm focusing my high level top category. Okay, so whatever I have experienced in my life, those informations I'm going to give the proper explanation, and which is understanding way, which is easy to understand. You all understand, you all engineers purpose, definitely my YouTube channel very helpful and useful in your life, right? Come on, let me go. These are the technical errors of the what example purpose, the example I'm giving here. So whenever you get a messages, these all things, then you have to check it all things without waste of time. That is the difference between senior and junior. Why different? Senior why getting high salary, junior why not getting salary? Because of junior not have that much experience. Experience means what? Whenever you find the issue immediately, whenever you resolve the issue, so immediately, that is the value of the time. Time is very important. That's why I'm saying here, if I'm sharing the informations, these are the very powerful informations I'm going to share here, right? Yes, come on. Now see here, regular problems here. See, these all points in this way. See, these all points I bring it based on my experiences, in my way of explanation, way of talking. I'm giving here presentation. Power of speaking also very important in biomedical engineering. Yes, come on. And see here, regular problems. So what are the regular problems of plasma sterilizer? See here I'm discussing. Here I'm giving information. So what are the practical ways? Only I am giving points. Because of in biomedical engineering, what problem solver, you are an individual performer. You should be an individual performer. Okay, that's why I'm giving information. Try to get it what I'm saying here. Is it clear my voice? Is it clear my presentation? Right, let me continue. Keep watch my channel and engage my channel and subscribe now. Now come to the point right now. What are the regular problems of the plasma sterilizer? cycle aborts frequently. Okay. Next, residual smell of H2O2 and door gasket wear and H2O2 cartridge not recognized and filter clogged. Okay, chamber not vacuum. See, regular problems why we are facing because of maybe see based on my experiences, I want to say that is what. First of all thing, preventive maintenance if not done, understand? Listen to carefully. If preventive maintenance if not done properly as per schedule, okay, cycle basis and calibrations if not done, if not monitoring not done, if not handling properly, then these are the regular problems may happen, okay? So that time what have to do, sir, if you ask me? Okay, regular problem purpose, you have to communicate with technician how to operate and what are the safety precautions and what are the SOP standard on medical equipment, that is plasma sterilizer, and what are the things important after cycle, before cycle, what to do, what not to do, everything information guidance to give the technician. That is the biomedical engineering responsibility at the end of the day. Okay, so these are the regular problems coming whenever not following these all things, then only it may come in there. Otherwise many see all plasma sterilizer equipments are not getting regularly complaints, very rare condition. Okay, sometimes the technician senior, okay, sometimes junior will be there, sometimes new persons will be there, they may not have understand the concept of the plasma sterilizer, that's why handling will problem. So if not proper handling properly, then what will happen, many problems will come. That's why if they are see as a biomedical, we are not staying in front of the mission, but we should have this type of qualities, then only you can survive a long time, then only you can be a master of the biomedical engineering. Okay, so I can understand, I can make you understand right way in my way. Okay, come on. Now come here, my biomedical engineer. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. See, pin to pin, I'm going to show here and giving presentation, and I'm keeping great efforts. Okay, in the right way. I hope many valuable informations I'm passing through my channel. Right, come to the point right now, my dear engineers. Listen to carefully, my dear engineer students. Whoever working as a biomedical engineering in the biomedical services, healthcare services, this is very very important and very topic. Okay, come on. If not working, what to check it? As a biomedical engineer, for every fresher also, senior also, newcomer also, first question is what? If not working, what you will check it? If you are facing interview also, that time also they are asking if equipment, for example, if for medical equipment, for example, plasma sterilizer, if not working, what you will do? Because of before facing interview, sir, I know this one's technical skills, sir, I can do operate, sir, I am the specialist of this medical equipment, sir, then they are going to ask you in this type of questions. If you answer properly, if you answer properly relevant their questions, definitely you are selected, and within seconds you are appointed as a biomedical engineer. Okay, so that's why by listening, by engaging my live sessions, it is very very useful to you all peoples. I'm focusing you all people. That's why coming here. Very valid points I'm going to share here. Right. Come to the point right now. I'm going to say, if not working, what to check it. See here. It is visible right now. See here, my dear engineers. Listen to carefully. It is visible right now. Yes. Come on. So whoever engaged, please listen to carefully, seriously. Okay. If not working, what to check it in a plasma sterilizer. Okay. First of all, you have to check it a power supply and MCB and door lock and seal and H2O2 cartridge level and expiry and air filter condition and vacuum pump and hoses. And okay, one by one you have to check it. Error code details on screen and water trap if any temperature and temperature sensor. See, so if not working means what? Whenever not done the cycle properly as per schedule, then we have to check it one by one. Okay, so whenever you get a complaint that time, sir, I am a biomedical engineer, I know all things, then you can open the complete equipment, no need to waste of time, because of every time is very very important. Mission is wait for mission purpose, proper testing purpose, many lab tests will be there. Okay, that's why patient safety is very very important, and instantly we have to provide the services by applying our technical skills, right? So that is the valuable of the biomedical engineering. Those skills I'm going to share here. If not working, what to check it? These are the points. Okay, plasma sterilizer, right? I hope you are getting my voice. Yes, come on, let me continue. Now come here. Working operation I'm going to say, see here. See, these all points I bring it for you based on my experiences. But I want to say, I want to guide you all people. But that much time we may not have in our work area because of we have to do the work because of some engineers paid by the salary, paid by the company and offices. That's why we have to provide the services. Okay, patients healthcare is very very important. But here I'm giving information in why, which purpose? Because of every engineers are working excellent, every engineers are dedicating excellent, but at the same time every engineer should focus your career. Okay, why I'm saying? Because of one engineer asking in front of me, sir, I have worked in one company, sir, one hospital, sir, I have 5 years of experience, sir, but I'm not getting a promotion, sir, I'm not getting a high salary, sir, what's my mistake, sir? That time they are asking like that. Okay, for you all that type of engineers I'm going to give you. See, try to focus on skills and way of presentation and performance. Whenever you give these all things, definitely company will recognize you automatically, because of company or hospital or any management, they will observe every low level engineer also we are considering and we are focusing, because of everyone have a bright future, everyone is important for biomedical engineering services. Okay, now come to the point right now. Here, see, working operation, what is what? See, first of all, this working operation every technician should have. Okay, this working operation you should give better. You have to take the printout. Okay, you have to type all things and you have to take the printout, and if it is possible, try to stick on in front of the machine, then technician can understand, and whoever operating the equipment, they can handle easily. Okay, because of if not handling properly, then problems, many problems will come. That is the big issue will be the time taken process. That's why before you have to give the like working operation in this way. Listen to carefully what I'm showing here. Okay, listen to carefully. Working operation, see here. Load an instruments after cleaning and drying. Okay, and close the door and select the cycle. And system performs per vacuum to remove air. And see, these are the working operations. H2O2 vapor is injected into the chamber, and plasma is generated using RF energy, and sterilization occurs at low temperature, and aeration phase removes residual H2O2, and chamber returns to safety level, and cycle completed, instruments are sterile and ready to use. Okay, these are things. See why I'm not missing any single point, because of in this medical equipment, whenever we have a problem we don't know. That's why if anything single point, every pin to pin point else if I say here, whoever engage, whoever have a problem, definitely it is very very useful to support and resolve the issues. Okay, so whenever you get a complaint, up to now you don't know value of the skills and you don't know value of the medical equipment up to getting good salary. Okay, so that's why please listen to carefully what I'm saying here and try to focus our career. Life is very very important. That's why I'm giving here. And here in my live sessions, whatever I'm sharing here, try to listen and try to get it, and try to think in a practical way, because the presentation also not an easy. Okay, giving information also very complicated topic. See, 18 years of experiences means so we may not have remember also. So for giving the instructions and live classes purpose, I'm preparing and I'm observing, I'm practicing in which way how to give all students. Okay, now come to the point right now. Workflow of the plasma sterilizer. See, listen to carefully. See, in every medical equipment, we have to catch the shortcut way. Okay, shortcut way. When you see the equipment, because of lengthy definitions, lengthy statements, we may not remember in our mind. Yes, as a biomedical engineer purpose, what are the things important? So these are the technical way. You have to do the work and you have to observe the equipment also. That's why I bring it for you. This one workflow. See here. For your understanding purpose, complete equipment purpose, what is the workflow, how work like, I will show you here. See here, it is visible right now. Yes, is it visible? My dear engineers, load in, see, first of all in this picture, see here in this presentation, workflow. Okay, workflow of the plasma sterilizer. For your knowledge purpose, for your update purpose, I'm giving here. Whenever possible, whenever interested, okay, then try to watch my sessions when free time, and keep a earphone. My voice is clear. By engaging, by listening, you can get a many information. So okay, right. See, college explanation is different and job explanation is different based on real-time hospital job life I have experienced. That's why based on that, I'm going to give you explanation in this way. Okay, for every engineer's purpose. Workflow, see here, load instrument. Next, close the door, yes, select cycle, plasma sterilization, next aeration, next cycle and unload. Okay, this is the simple. See here, See, I'm giving lot of informations, like lot of explanations about this equipment. So when you go to the workflow, simply one, two, three, four, five. Five options will be there, and that is going to finish. Okay, that's why in precise way you have to get it all points, and you have to keep in your mind. Okay, right, come on. And whoever want to become a specialist in medical equipment, then you have to go in this way. And in this way, life sessions, if you follow all things, so definitely at the within less of time, okay, within 1 to 2 years, within, see, that's why I'm saying every engineer, listen to carefully, from 1 to 5 years, if you are starting career after your college, 1 to 5 years, you have to focus on skills, learning, everything. That is the learning situation stage. So no need to worry, sir, senior is getting high salary, sir, why I'm not getting. Don't compare, don't do anything, because of you are a starter beginner. So nothing to worry. Try to focus on your career, and try to create the big ambition in your life. Understand? Because of you are the hero in your life. You are the big boss in your life. So I'm also expecting every engineer should be individual capability, because of every engineer performance is every engineer if do perform well, then complete hundreds of engineers. It is very very excellent. Yes, right. Thank you. This is the workflow. See, I hope you understand. Let me go one more point about this equipment. Only purpose of equipment I'm going to read out. See here, because of many points I'm going to show you without very very clearly. Now, my dear engineer, listen to carefully. Purpose of equipment. See. So every questions I'm giving me, say, if I share here all types of questions, because of you have to face the interviews. In your, if you want to improve your career, if you want to get a promotions, every time from your college to start and up to every interviews we have to face. Understand? So many engineers are having fear. Sir, interviews, sir, how to face, sir, what to do, sir, what not to do, sir. I have prepared this much, sir. Okay. See, lot of explanation I'm not expecting. Simple catch the fire. That's it. Catch the fire and build a fire, and like a fireman. Okay. I am expecting. I am also be like that. And purpose of equipment, see here, plasma sterilizer. I'm going to see one sentence. I'm going to read out all, and then you can understand and focus all things. Understand? Time is very, very important. And to sterilize heat and moisture sensitive medical devices and without causing damage using low temperature plasma technology. See here, simple way. Plasma sterilizer what? Simple sentence here. Heat and moisture based sensitive medical devices without causing damages. And what are the things, sterilization purpose we have to do? What are the things I will show you here in this live session? First of all, I will focus, these are the basic point. Next, internal components of the medical equipment. Next, what are the practical way, accessories and everything, what are the things need to sterilization, those things I'm going to share in this live sessions. Okay, let me continue. Now see here, purpose of equipment, that is what? Laboratory equipment, what? Plasma sterilizer. Okay, all medical equipment I'm going to share here, because of whenever you, as a biomedical engineer, you should be a confident, and you should be a practical way, and multiple skills you should have. Okay, right, come on. Next, come to the point right now. So these all points I'm going to see, and come to the plasma sterilizer temperature specification. See here, is it clear now, visible? See, if you take any make model, but these are the temporary specifications, these are the mandatory specifications, these are the required. Whenever you're going to face the interviews, then you have to collect the point. And before interview, if you have any doubt, just give me comment, sir. I have to face the interview, sir. What have to be perfect, sir? Just give me comment. Genuine way, definitely I will be there to support you. Okay, don't do entertainment, because of life is very very important. I'm not waste of my time, because of a professional is very very important. Whoever not have any opportunity, definitely I want to create the live sessions, very valuable contributions to all your bright future. Okay, if you engage my live sessions, you will have a bright future. Definitely, that is the great achievement in my life. Let's come to the point right now. Temperature specifications of the plasma sterilizer. I hope you are listening. Yes. Thank you so much. And for your interest purpose, I'm very happy to discuss here. Right? Come on. And see a temperature specifications. Operating temperature 40 to 60 typical, and maximum temperature, see here, see less than or equal 60, depends on model. Okay, so just keep in your mind for your knowledge purpose. They are the very very important. Whenever if ask you some question, then that time plasma stage how much temperature will maintain, then you should know, and you should keep these all the basic knowledge purpose. Okay, don't keep your face blank, then you will, it is very very useful. Okay, and now come on, this is the very important point I'm going to share here about the plasma sterilizer, because of the based on this only, every equipment is going to function. Okay, that is plasma sterilizer. Sterilization duration, see here. So sterilization duration is very very important because of these all functions as a biomedical engineer we should know. Actually, all equipments are operating by the lab technicians, they will do. Okay, but as a instructions, if you want to become a specialist in medical equipment, in this way you have to follow, and you will become a master in medical equipment as a biomedical engineer. Okay, right, come on. Now sterilization duration, see here. Plasma sterilization duration, how much? Cycle time 28 to 75 minutes, and depends on load type and model. Okay, typical phases, see here. I'm going to read out now, listen to carefully. I'm giving presentation here. I'm talking very fluently because of if you engage my session by listening my voice, you will get a confirmation, you will be clearance. Ganesh sir is giving in live sessions. Yes, because you have to believe, because of I am coming, my background is complete biomedical. Work experiences and qualifications, everything. And real time I'm giving instructions also, excellent way, and I'm getting updates also. Okay, come on. Let me join with me. And typical phases, see here, pre-vacuum 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, plasma sterilizer, see basic things, duration, these are the very very important. If it is possible, try to note down. And if you are working in hospitals, if you have a plasma sterilizer, and check it, make model, based on that you have to stick on that in front of this cycle duration and precautions, and operations are very very important to know the technician. Okay, right, come on. And see here, injection, see here, 5 to 10 minutes, and plasma 10 to 30 minutes, and aeration 10 to 30 minutes. Okay, these are the important points, and try to keep in your mind right now. Okay, right, come on. So these are the points. Understand, as a biomedical engineer, if you are doing your duty, then you have to focus and you have to question yourself. What I am giving presentation, yeah, as a biomedical engineer, if you question, okay, because of, see, if you are interested, then you may get problems, sir. This one is what plasma sterilizer. Okay, so what daily, if you think and dedication your time, definitely one day you will become a biomedical engineer. You will be a specialist. Okay, for your successful career purpose, I'm giving only proper route to and proper practice and everything within your hands. I'm giving instructions and I'm giving live sessions, but your future with your hands. Okay, for your future purpose, I'm giving the route way. Okay, come on, I hope you understand. Come on, come to the point right now. What things are recommended in a plasma sterilizer? Okay, keep in your mind, these are the very very important. See, when you are doing work in multiple years, then only you may get the problems, then only you may touch this equipment. Otherwise not possible to get the opportunity and checking the equipment also, because of our first priority what, instantly provide the services, and we have to provide the test, everything. So that's why medical equipments may not free. Okay, whenever not working, then only they will give us. Otherwise you completely connect to the patient and provide the services to the patients. Yes, right, come on. And what things are recommended in plasma sterilizer, my dear engineers? Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Heat and moisture sensitive instruments, and endoscopes, laparoscopic instruments, and fiber optic instruments, and rubber, plastic, and electronic devices, and delicate surgical instruments. Okay, these are the very very sensitive topics. These are by using low temperature, low moisturizing, heating, and we can kill the microorganisms. Okay, these are the fantastic medical equipment, but that's why nowadays science technology completely developed. That's why we have to know and we have to follow the science technology, and we have to be updated in our human life, right? Come on. And why need to, see here, come on, right, come on, come to the point right now. Why need to use this equipment? See here, these are the questions. When I was a biomedical engineer time, I have questioned myself. Those questions purpose, I got the answer based on my experiences. If I share here, definitely you will have a bright future whenever you get a problem. Yes, come on, let me say, and let me show you why need to use this equipment, plasma sterilizer. These are the very very important. How many questions you raise in your mind, definitely those questions is going to be a challenges. That challenge is going to opportunity. That opportunity going to give you a great life. Understand? So whenever we get a opportunity, that time we should be a capable. That's why I'm giving informations in my live sessions. It is going to record also, because of anywhere, anyone, anytime can watch my sessions without paying anything. We have to pay concentration, right? Come on. And low temperature, see here, no damage to devices. Okay, why need to use, I'm going to say. And effective sterilization including spores, and safe, fast and reliable, no toxic residue, and environment friendly, and compliance with infection control standards. Okay, these are the points. See, I'm giving live sessions 1 to 2 hours daily, different topics. I bring it for you all, but you have to select it and you have to interest. If you dedicate it completely, definitely whatever I'm sharing, you can understand what's my dedication, what's my hard work. Then you come to know, because of I am also one of the biomedical engineer. That time nobody is there in front of me, so that time I faced many problems. I have struggled in my life. So that's why I'm giving these all informations by dedication. If anything hard also, morning time 9 to 6 o'clock, I'm taking more responsible state level operations, and I have to lead the 100 engineers and lakhs of equipments we have to lead. But at the same time, I'm giving instructions in my social media because of for everyone people. Okay, right? Come to the point, my dear engineers. Because of see, not only have a good skills as a senior engineer. Okay, every junior engineer also should have a great path. Okay, so society should be changed and education system should be changed. We have to make it through by live sessions, right? Come on. Society never change. We have to change ourselves. Then automatically everything will come to change. A time taken process. Definitely at the end of the day, we will get a success in our life. Come on. Please keep your mobile white. Department C. Please keep your mobile mute and please keep quiet. I'm saying it's a casual thing. And department where available, see here. This plasma sterilizer where is available, you have to know. Okay, because as a biomedical engineer, these are not available everywhere, because of these are the very strictly used, and we have to use the SOPs, because of it is going to kill the microorganisms purpose. It is very dangerous to healthy life. That's why we have to take precautions, everything. Okay, before touch the equipment, we have to follow the SOP standards, and infection control protocol we have to follow. Easily we should not touch the medical equipment, especially lab equipments. Okay, I come to the point right now. Departments where available. Okay, this equipment where available. I'm going to zoom now, that then it is visible, then you can watch my session. Okay, I'm also visible right now. Yes, come on. Right, department where available. Central Sterile Services Department, CSSD, operation theater complex, and endoscopy unit, and cardiology or cath lab. Okay, ENT or bronchoscopy unit, and ophthalmology, and dental or maxillofacial. Okay, so these are available mostly in corporate hospital, private hospital, and biggest super specialty hospital. That there only you can find out. Understand? These are the very, because of these are the equipment very expensive, and this much hospital busy, then only we have to use this equipment, depend on the rush of the patient. Okay, in city areas we may have, and so many hospitals we have in this department. Okay, I'm saying here laboratory equipment. Okay, because of it is going to sterilize means it is, see, in these all departments available in a maximum operation theater. Okay, because of I have observed many times in operation theater only, because of their instruments are there, so many things are there. We have to give the sterilization before taking surgery, and so whatever doing the surgery by the doctor, those instruments going to sterilization. What are the things based on this? Okay, so that is the things department where available. These are the things in these departments we are the possible to see. Okay, come on. Now skilled engineer required or not? These are the very important. See here, every point is very important. Every challenge, every point is once upon a time I faced it is a challenges also. That's why today I want to say you all things. Skilled engineer required. This is the question. Okay, yes, trained biomedical engineer required for installation, operation, troubleshooting, preventive maintenance, validation, calibration, and safety compliance purpose. Biomedical engineering is skilled biomedical, very important. Understand? So that's why every engineer is appointed based on the skills, based on the problem solver talented. That is only that interview only selected. Okay, that's why proper resume is very important. Proper presentation is very important. How much you have, that is not important for company or hospital. How much you are capable to present. Practical experience is important. Okay, I'm giving flow of all things, but you should get a proper experience by doing a job. Okay, then only see. I have experience in different category. 18 years of experience means I worked as a biomedical engineer, as I worked in a senior biomedical engineer. So only senior biomedical I have worked 5 years. Okay, junior biomedical minimum 3 to 4 years. Okay, So that's why every year I have spent in my life, that's why today I'm capable to give you all informations. By giving this information, definitely you will get a point about the biomedical engineering. Okay, right, come on. So these all points I bring it for you because if I try to escalate and I try to give show the presentations in my way, definitely will get a catch a point in my live sessions. Yes, right, come on, come to the point right now. Let me continue. Preventive maintenance here. This is the very, very important task for complete biomedical engineering purpose. Preventive maintenance is the basic powerful weapon in biomedical engineering services. Okay, because of C BM breakdown call. Okay, breakdown call, whenever they have a problem, hospital people they will give the complaint. Understand? Preventive maintenance what? Whenever they may not have complaint, we have to visit and we have to do the perform. That time we can find out the issues of the medical equipment and see preventive maintenance term. If not working equipment, that is not applicable to the preventive maintenance or calibrations. First of all, we have to check the equipment, we have to resolve the issues, then we have to perform on medical equipment. Okay, if it is not working, then no, should not applicable for that equipment PMS. Okay, so what are the important points applicable while doing the preventive maintenance plasma sterilizer? I'm going to show you. Okay, right, come on. Now I'm going to read out now. See here, preventive maintenance points, daily chamber cleaning, door gasket check. Okay, that's why you should communicate with technician. Okay, very friendly, professionally. Okay, then many problems it will be clear from there only. No need to attend multiple calls because of we should give the best performance. Means what? Multiple calls we have to attend in a proper mind organized. That is work management means that is. Okay, if you are a skilled engineer means if you dedicated one medical equipment, that is not a challenges of the biomedical engineering. Okay, if you are a skilled biomedical engineer, then you have to you have on your hand 5 to 6 calls you have to attend and resolve one day. Okay, then what to do? First you have to do what? As a biomedical engineer, every time how many calls you got it from the management, how many calls you have assigned for those calls were immediately called to that area. Okay, sir, I'm a biomedical engineer. So in your hospital, I got a ventilator complaint. Sir, in your hospital, I got a like what like plasma sterilizer complaint. Different complaints you receive. Immediately communicate with that hospital management. Okay. Then what will happen? Major issue or minor issue, like the critical, non-critical. Then you can understand. Then you can give the priority of the medical equipment. Then you can be present because of C, which is the top priority, which is the risk area. You have to give the first priority because the patient's life is very, very important. Okay, here you should leave the ego and unnecessary arguments. Everything you have to leave from there. Okay, right, come on. Now see here, daily chamber cleaning, door gasket check, preventive maintenance time, and weekly filter check, H2O2 cartridge check, and monthly seal integrity vacuum test, and quarterly sensor calibration powers backups, and annually full system validation, and maintain PM log and records. Okay, these are things what I'm saying here. For every biomedical performance is important, and documentation also very, very important. Because of whenever get a complaint, we may not have an idea. So we are the skillful engineers. Simply if we do the work, whenever get a complaint, we are attending and resolve the issues. Then nobody point out to you. Okay, nobody recognize you also. And suddenly what happened? One major issue come for that purpose. Complete plasma sterilizer is going to stop, and many operations go stop, and everything postponed will be done, and hampering will start, and hospital management going to discuss and going to terminate you. So that much time don't wait. Okay, so that's why if you do all things, so if you have a proper maintenance, for example, okay, that's why records is important, PM log is important. Why? Proper document is at what every complete data available. At what time you can receive the complaint from the hospital. First point, okay, what is the complaint is there, and what you found the issue, and what you done the issue. Then every record you can see. Okay, so nowadays complete software system depend on company, hospital, everything software we can use by using the barcodes and of the medical equipment. So that much technology we have in the society right now. Yes, right, come on. These are the preventive maintenance of the plasma sterilizer. And tools required are not see here. What are the tools required to do these services plasma sterilizer purpose? Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. These are the very, very important. You are working as a biomedical engineer, you are in hospital, suppose, okay? So you are a hospital, then you have to attend the plasma sterilizer, then you may not have an idea. Don't get panic and keep engage my live sessions and then try to understand. Okay. After I have engaged my live sessions, you may not have an idea, still you will not confirm, still you will not clarify your doubt, then give me comment in my live sessions. Definitely I will be there to support you, depend on your question. Okay. Here only ultimately problem solver and you have to be a good success in your life. That is my intention. And see here, what are the tools required for to repair the plasma sterilizer? I'm going to show here. See here, listen carefully. I hope you are listening. Now successfully 1 hour completed, 9 o'clock started and 10 o'clock now exactly. And let me continue and many more points regard this issue, regard this session I'm going to say. And whoever engaged, please subscribe now. Come on. What are the tools required? See here, my dear engineers, listen to carefully. Screwdriver set and Phillips are flat. Okay. Allen key set and multimeter, vacuum gauge, clean lint free cloth and isopropyl alcohol and filter cleaning brush. Okay. Filter cleaning brush, soft brush or cotton swabs. See, for that purpose only, for every biomedical engineering purpose, I have given the proper tools of uses. I have given the previous sessions and just watch my live sessions. Definitely many more multiple hundreds of 100+ live sessions I have provided in my YouTube channel. Please keep watch my channel and subscribe now. Okay. Now let me go. Let me go see here. Now see here, if getting issue, how much time taken? See here. These are the basic points as a biomedical engineer because of if any problem, okay? If first plasma sterilizer not having problem, that hospital management going to ask you, that technician going to ask you, when will complete, when will resolve, okay? They will not give the time also because of actually biomedical engineer not spoil the mission, okay? Unfortunately, sometimes happen, then that's why we have to provide the services as a skilled biomedical engineer. So that's why we have to be awareness about this here. If getting issue, how much time taken? This is the very important. Whenever you get a complaint, whenever you get errors, then you should be confirm as a biomedical engineer. Estimation time you should give to the hospital. They will take a plan. They will keep a proper plan and they will give the counseling to the patients because of report is very important. Okay, right? Come on. So if getting issue, how much time taken? Let me say. Minor issues 30 minutes to 2 hours and like filter cleaning, cartridge change and major issues 2 to 8 hours like vacuum pump and sensor PCB depends on the availability of spare parts. Okay, these are the 2 points. So major and minor issues you have to keep in your mind. Based on that you have to give the answer as a biomedical engineer. Okay, don't say sir I don't know sir when will happen. Don't say that type of irresponsible points. Okay, you may lose the hope about your skills because of whenever getting a problem that time if you are a problem solver then hospital trust you, they will promote you. Okay, at any situation don't behave with others in this way, right? Everything behave yourself. If you get irritation, if you get a frustration, anything, if you get it, just keep in your mind because of out of the atmosphere everything trust you and be careful right now. Okay, come on, this much time taken I have taken. See here, getting issues purpose. Now come here, advantages of the what plasma sterilizer. See, every point you have to keep in your mind. These are say every day you have to practice. If you're interested, see, I'm giving live sessions 1 to 2 hours means this is the end point, not okay. This is the learning process. Skills are learning process. Journey is the okay. Journey is very important in our life as a biomedical engineering. So every day we have to grow ourselves. We have to perform ourselves and try to catch my points. What I'm saying here and try to improve your career and try to be an individual performer, problem solver as a biomedical engineer. Okay, right? Come on. Now advantages of the plasma sterilization. Let me say what are the things are there. We have to know. And low temperature sterilization and quick cycles, no toxic residue, and safe for delicate instruments and environment friendly gas H2O2 C and H2O2 plus O2. Okay, easy to use the automatic cycle. These are the natural things where what oxygens, what gases available in the local atmosphere, right? So that's why no need to worry. See why I'm giving here advantages because of so many people are thinking, so many engineers, newcomers are thinking, sir, if I touch the equipment, it blast. Sometimes what will happen, sir? They will fear. Okay, no need to fear, yeah. If you understand the concept of the medical equipment, then 100% you will be safe. At least you may not a problem solver. At least you can operate and at least minimum basics also come to know these all value. That's why I'm giving here live presentation. Okay. So these are the advantages. I hope you got it very clearly right now, my dear engineers. Let me continue. Disadvantages of the see every equipment, every situations we have a positive negative. Okay, so positive negative we have to know, we have to follow, and we should take care about the positive, and we have to focus on grab good points only. Okay, right, come on. And disadvantages see here: high initial cost and limited load capacity, not suitable for cellulose materials, and cartridge cost and regular maintenance. Okay, see here I want to say disadvantages one. See, we when we compare the medical equipments, because of every equipment have a specific unique functions and priority also there. Okay, depend on condition of the body, depend on condition of the organs, depend on condition of the diseases. We have a multiple technology in the society. Yes, so that's why what I'm going to give you information, you have to focus on that particular area. That's why I'm giving content in my live sessions. Today I bring it you one topic based only. I'm going to discuss all things. Okay, I don't want to confuse. I don't be confused myself. I want to be clear. I want to make you clear all. Okay, right? Come on. Applications see here. What are the applications of the plasma sterilizer? Is a very important to know every biomedical engineering and basic point. If you know, then you have to share the information to the technician also. Sometimes what happen, many technicians also may not have any idea because of they are the new joiner and they are fresher. Because of everyone life, fresher situation will come. Okay, everyone, no one by birth only is skillful person. Every day, like we born like a zero. Okay, every time we have to practice and practice makes man perfect, and one day we will become a specialist in that area. Okay, so like that only I come back here, starting my position also normal position, but every day I practice, I focus, I keep proper ambition. Okay, so that's why today my intention what and upcoming level reaching now this much level top I have reached it successfully. So in this way, if I give the information, I have aim in my life. I want to give the proper information to all society. I want to create the good biomedical engineering points. So that's why I'm doing, and many response I come from the public. That's why I'm continue right now. Okay, please now see here what are the applications. See here, surgical instruments of the see what are the applications of the plasma sterilizer. I hope you are getting right now. Come on, let me continue. Surgical instruments applications see here: endoscopes, laparoscope sets. Okay, respiratory therapy equipment, anesthesia equipment, and electronic medical devices. These are the applications very important to keep in your mind right now. Okay, right, come on. So now so much information. So now I have explained here very patiently because of by adding my experiences and very friendly I'm talking with you all. Because if I'm taking a professional, if I'm taking complete professional means I will give the pin to pin, point to point. That is enough. But I'm here. What I'm doing? I'm going to practice and I'm going to share with you all as a practical senior biomedical engineering. It is the challengeable task what I'm sharing here. And these are things not available in the society also because of say, if you take any concept, any medical equipment, anything, that type of bulk of information available in the Google anywhere. But these are things I brought you for you. Then you can catch it and you can spend it and whatever needed you will be clarify, you will be confirmation whatever you want to become in your life. Yes, come on. Now real time hospital experience I want to share with you all, and a very important point to see here. Yes, I will engage right now. See, sir, hi, sir. I'm a first year biomedical engineering student. Give me some guidance, sir. Okay, sure. First of all, let me finish right now. Okay, because of today, I bring this topic about the biomedical engineering purpose, medical equipment purpose. Let me finish because of many people are watching and many people are engaged my live sessions. Let me finish right now. Okay, I will engage right now. After finish this one, I will come to your comment. Right. And for guidance purpose, I have provided a lot of videos in my YouTube channel. Just once go to my channel. Up to there, you check my channel. What are the points are there? Whatever points available in my channel. Okay. Whatever many videos, nearly 1487 videos I have uploaded in my YouTube channel. Once until then, you have to check there. I will come back. Let me finish right now. Okay. Right, thank you so much and subscribe now first of all, my dear Meenakshi. Okay, Meenakshi, right? Meenakshi engineer, right? Okay, fine. I give respect. Take respect is very important. We maintain self-respect. Right. Come to the point right now. I want to say real-time hospital experience here. In real hospital practice, plasma. Yes, thank you. If you subscribe, okay. Now watch my all live sessions in my playlist. Lot of 100 plus live sessions. Once watch there. If you're interested, then give me comment. Definitely, I will support you. to become a biomedical engineer, to lead your life successfully, because a biomedical engineer is excellent. Now, see here, real-time hospital experience. See here, in real-time hospital practice, plasma sterilizers are very useful for endoscopes and delicate instruments where autoclave cannot be used. During, see here, turn around the time helps in emergency cases, and regular PM and proper training reduce breakdowns and increase equipment life. An infection control team highly recommends this technology for patient safety. Okay. See, till now, what I have shared here, this all informations, practical experience only. Okay. But this is the real time as one point I want to say, and I want to give the one advice, positive advice to all engineers. Listen to carefully, my dear valuable engineers. See, for your bright future purpose, I'm giving here, I'm giving contribution with positive mind. Okay. Every engineer should be capable. Junior also should be capable. Senior also should be capable, right? Dear engineers, your knowledge, skills, dedication keep hospitals running safety. Okay. Positive advice to all engineers. See, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Learn continuously, follow safety, maintain equipment regularly, and help save lives every day. Stay positive, stay updated, and keep improving yourself. You are the real backbone of the healthcare. Okay. Here I want to add my point, add my experience point. What? See, in biomedical, in hospital, biomedical engineers are the backbone of the hospital. Okay. If biomedical not available in hospital, complete hospital will be hampering. Everybody know the value of the biomedical engineering. Okay. So at what happened here, in my practical life, in my real-time hospital experience, I faced nobody thankful for the biomedical engineering. Because of why? Nobody thankful, because of daily complaints are coming. Okay. Daily complaints are coming means what? They are thinking, yes, biomedical engineers are not performing well, they are thinking. But regularly patients are coming non-stop using the equipment means what happened? So definitely equipment will get a problem. Sometimes electrical issues will come. So many issues are coming. But my advice is, by dedicating, by performing your duty, and give the uptime, and give the presentation successfully, that person, that hospital management only, they will recognize you, they will give you a promotion also. Okay. That type of situation I faced in my life. That's why today I have crossed over the all designations in my life. Okay. After completion of a graduation, SSC, BIPC, okay, SSC, BIPC, and special diploma in electronics in biomedical engineering, bachelor of technology in biomedical engineering, and MBA hospital engineering system. So whatever I have completed the qualifications in my life, so after experience life also, I have struggled that much time. That's why today I'm capable to give you all information. Definitely 100% what I'm today giving here, that is very, very information, very good platform to you all peoples. You are the very luckiest peoples. I will make you luckiest. Okay. Right. Come on. I hope you are listening right now. Come on. And see here, Meenakshi join here now. Yes. So for you purpose, listen to carefully. Whatever you have doubt, give me question. For that question purpose, I will make a reply. Otherwise, I will make a live sessions for you all. Okay. Right. Come on. Here, male or female, I'm not considering. Whoever working as a professional, I will give the respect for the professional way. Okay. Right. Come on. Everyone should have a bright future. Right. Come on. Come on. I want to give the safety reminder. See here. Listen to carefully. So till now, what I have explained here about the plasma sterilizer equipment, and these are the basic points, basic experience. Okay. Now next slide will be here. Now I'm going to share with you, that is internal parts of the plasma sterilizer and what are the components are there. Because of, as a biomedical engineer, you have to focus on service area. But I've been giving all information which, because of multiple types of because of I have worked as an engineer, I have worked as a HOD, I have worked as a team leader, I worked as a deputy manager, I worked as a regional manager, state level project manager. So that's why every topic is very, very important, because of every step is going to lead your life. Understand? If I have only medical equipment knowledge, then today I am not capable to lead this much top level category. Yes, that's why every day you have to learn, you have to improvement, you have to practice, you have to follow the instructions from the senior, whoever giving you. Everything focus bright future. Don't stay one place. Right? Thank you. Next, come here. Let me continue. Safety reminders I want to say, see here about this plasma sterilizer. Use only recommended H2O2 cartridges, and do not open door during cycle, and ensure proper ventilation and proper manufacture guidelines. Why I'm saying here these safety precautions? because of many juniors, many senior engineers also whoever not have an idea about it. Whenever they get a complaint, simply they open the door by mistake. Sometimes happen like that. That's why don't do like that. And whoever engage my session definitely will get a point, definitely will do it, because of every safety precautions is important. Every engineer should follow the instructions. So that's why, see, prevention is better than cure. We know very well this statement, yes or no? So that's why whatever I'm giving information, so that is everything. Prevention is better than cure. Before you face the problem, you come to know the problem, you should be ready with solution. Maybe it will solve or not, that is another matter. But how to reach the, in this way I'm giving information. Okay, I hope you are listening my voice. Let me continue. If you like my sessions, if you are interested, just give me comment in my live sessions. Yes sir, really interested sir, very encouraging sir, very motivation sir, very inspiration sir. Please give me like that, because of I'm going to valuable information give you with daily sessions, daily 9 p.m. Daily 9 p.m. I will be available. 1000 plus live sessions I'm going to create. That much power I will make it, and whatever I have talent and everything I'm going to share here, right? So these are the successfully what? These are the basic information plasma sterilizer. Let me join. Let me come with me right now. We will go next. What? Internal components of the, see here, internal components of the low sterilizer. See, plasma sterilizer inside view. See, these all things not possible also, not getting opportunity also. Understand? See, why I have selected in this way live sessions? Because of in our hospital area, learning is the very less time, and we should not do entertainment, and we should not do waste of our time also, because of everything focus is, because of many patients are coming to the hospital, they have many problems, and with problems they are coming. So that's why within instant work we have to give by using the technology. Okay, so that's why if I provide this live session, so whenever you free, whenever you in trouble, if you watch my sessions, if you engage my live sessions, definitely you will have a bright future. It's my damn sure, 100%. Okay, now come to the point right now. Plasma sterilizer inside view, see here. First of all, I will show you whatever I'm going to explanation. See here. First of all, I'm going to slide here. See here, this is the second slide, my presentation. So see here, the presentation, I'm expecting what? I'm talking and I'm giving presentation means my intention what? Understand? Because of college time we are reading and writing and attending. These are the one thing. Understand? But my focus what? In your life as a biomedical engineer, we are the practical persons in the society. Understand? So that's why whatever you are doing college, whatever you are studying in college, that is also you have to keep in your mind. But I am creating the one great path, that is college to job life. I'm going to prepare the what? One strong bridge, professional career path. That is my explanation. Okay, right, come on. Very anxiety and be active, proactive, and be interested. Definitely these are the points, very very important. Life is very very important. You should do something, you should achieve something, you should become a biomedical engineer. Whatever you have achieved, every point I'm going to share here, right? Come on. Now come to the point right now. I'm going to show here the inside part. See here, if you open the equipment, then look like, see here, for your assumption purpose I'm going to show you. And here I'm not giving any about make, model, manufacturer, but any plasma sterilizer if you take, these are the basic points available in that equipment. Okay, by seeing the equipment, by seeing the component, by seeing the parts, you have to understand and you have to get the information, so then only will become a successful biomedical engineer, right? I hope you are getting my voice. Come on, because of what I have fixed in my life, until complete I don't stop my live sessions, because of I have to make you understand, I have to give the valuable points for you all valuable engineers, right? Now come on. First of all, we will go see here. First of all, see here, internal part of the plasma sterilizer. First of all, see here. Okay, whatever label parts I'm going to read out everything. First of all, see this picture. It is visible right now. Biomedical engineers, whoever watching my channel, is it visible right now? Clear? See it? See. First of all, see this picture. Okay, for awareness purpose, basic information is very very important. Understand? In this way, nobody have give the proper explanation, because of for this purpose a real time hospital experience is required. Understand? Nobody take from you what you have, that is skills. Okay, until you say the skills, nobody cares from you. So that is the power of the skills. Okay, so I'm sharing means positive mind, and try to see here what I'm attaching here, giving the presentation here. I hope you are listening and you are watching my session. Yes. Now see here in this picture, see here. If you open the top, starting I have explained what are the equipment, what is the plasma membrane, and what all look like. Basic knowledge is very very important. Whenever you see the equipment, then immediately you have to catch the point. Yes, this is the plasma sterilizer. That much knowledge you should maintain. Okay, basic level. Up next to one by one, we have a lot of skills like electrical, electronic, how to check it, everything, and how to diagnosis. Because of in biomedical engineering services, what diagnosis process is the very very challengeable task. Many engineers fail here only. Understand? Many engineers fail here. Why? Because of biomedical engineer is the problem solver. Okay, and to find out the issues whatever have problem in medical equipment. For that purpose, these all informations you have to keep in your mind. Not an easy to become a biomedical engineering. Not an easy to get it to successful life. And a single day not coming and overnight not coming. After I have experience, 18 years of experience, today I am capable to give you all information. And by every year I dedicated my life. Yes, I want to become a biomedical engineer. Yes, I want to become a specialist. Yes, I want to become a senior biomedical engineer. Every time I am focused, and I try to get the resources from the seniors who are available in my life. That's why today I'm giving hundreds of engineers, right? Yes, come on, come to the point. Let me finish right now. And a little bit I have said my normal way, because of I want to interact with you all, because of I am also a human being. And professionally, what I am sharing informations that is going to useful in your professional life, right? Come on. Now see here label parts here, but here label parts, every point mentions here. First of all, I will show you, I will read out, and I will give the presentation very easy way, right? Come on, see, listen to carefully what I'm saying here, because of these are the very very important points. Second slide, I'm going to give the presentation. See, every presentation purpose, I did a great efforts. Yes, I should give, I should be good, I should be excellent. For that purpose I am giving. Okay, right, coming. Let me continue. Let me start now. Internal view of the plasma sterilizer. What are the parts are there? Every level part here. Inside the plasma sterilizer, here point wise mention here. For based on that I will show you. First of all, see here, door seal silicon gasket. Okay, so where this is the first point, door silicon. See here, see gasket ensures the chamber is completely sealed during the circle. This is the function. Okay, next word, door lock mechanism. Understand? See here, second point. See here, I am showing means what, because of this type of explanation in hospital not possible to show you. Okay, that is the reason. See, that is the reason I'm saying many engineers are joining as a trainee, as a junior, as a fresher. They may not have that much opportunity. The why we are expecting high skills. That is the reason, yes or no? So that's why whoever not have that much opportunity in my live sessions, pin to pin, I will give you proper explanations by engage my live sessions and try to enter into the practical life. Okay, right? Come on. Now, second point, see here, my dear engineers, listen to carefully. Door lock mechanism. Second point, see here. This is the door lock. See. Second point, what? This is the door lock. Okay. Next, electromagnetic lock prevents open during operation. This is the function, what? Electromagnetic lock system. To open, because of whenever we close the door, then while cycling, then we cannot open also. Okay, that's why everything mechanically system, because of it is going to kill the microorganisms. It is very very dangerous to human life. That's why we should protective and we should follow the protocols. Okay, right, come on, let me say inside the plasma sterilizer. I'm going to zoom right now, then you can understand it is visible. Okay, now see here, third point. See here, I hope you are with me right now. Yes, come on, I'm showing. And you think like that. Okay, we are in not in live session, we are in the hospital, and we are inside the lab, whatever it ot, whatever it is, wherever equipment available. For example, we take operation theater. Okay, now we are in operation theater. Just imagine, then only you can understand. Okay, because if you take my live sessions as a class professor, then never you cannot grow your life. Okay, everything you should be practical. What I'm saying here, please try to listen and try to interact with my live sessions right now. Okay, come on. And third point, see here, chamber stainless steel. Okay, third point, what? Chamber stainless steel. Where? See this one. Okay, chamber stainless steel. See here, what are the points are there? These are the very rare opportunity to see these all things, but I'm going to bring it and I will show you, because of for you all purpose, proper understanding is very important, and proper clarification is very important. Many engineers we found confuses mind. Why? Okay, that's why I want to remove that type of confusion in your mind by giving my presentation right now. Third point, you got it right now. So what is the function is here? Vacuum tight chamber where sterilization takes place. Understand? Every point you have to keep in your mind. See, that's why whenever you get a complaint or wherever have a problem, we cannot find out within single time. That's why if you know these all things, if you focus all things, if you practice all things, within less time you can perform your duty, you can do your services, you can resolve the issues. At the end of the day, you will become a master of medical equipment. Okay, these are all time taken process, that is depend on your interest, depend on your capabilities of memory, right. I hope everyone have whoever engaged. Now see here, fourth points here, cells are trace. Okay, listen to carefully. Cells are trace where these are the trace. See here, these are the components. Why I'm saying, why I'm showing here, what is the main mystery of this? Because of this type of explanation is very important in biomedical engineering. My intention, what? Every engineer in the competitive society, every engineer should have a proper skills. If we have all skills, all engineers if do work, then our team will be excellent. 100 out of 100% will give the performance. Yes. If anyone getting low, then who will lose? Our team will be lose. I will be lose. Okay. As a citizen of the society, I'm giving information. Try to take it positive. Or try to interact. Okay. Your life, your hand. You have to focus about your career that is within your hands. Cells see here, perforated see here. I'm going to zoom here again. And fourth point see here, inside parts see here. Perforated trace as cells hold and instruments for uniform exposure. Okay, these are all things. What are the things? What are the going to sterilization purpose? These are the things we have to keep in your proper packaging and proper color codings, everything there. That protocol will be there. We have to follow the instructions by the technician. Okay, everything should be done. The cycle purpose, everything process will be there. So barcode system will be there. Okay, that's why here I'm going to cover basic points of the biomedical engineering. For biomedical engineering purpose, what are the things important? I'm going to escalate here. I'm going to share the live sessions. Okay, right. Come on, come to the point right now. My dear engineers, fifth point see here, plasma generator electrodes. Okay, this is the fifth point. Where it is? Fifth point. Come on, show me. Come on, show me. Come on, show me. Yes, I got it. See this one. Okay. Now see here. Fifth point what? Plasma. See. Plasma generator electrodes that generate plasma from H2O2 vapor using RF energy. Okay. This is the very important point. Fifth point underline. Okay. Next, sixth point also underlines here, H2O2 injector. Where it is? Sixth point. Come on, find out, my dear engineers. Here. See. Here I am going to show all parts, means to see at any situations, any problem will come. Sometimes here also will come, sometimes here also will come. What are the parts I am showing here? Then based on the errors, then you have to catch the problem. That is my intention. That is the purpose of my live session. Okay. Right, come on. And H2O2 injector, see here, sixth point, H2O2 injector. So sometimes what happen, this injector also may not working. Yes, that time you have to find out. How can you find out? That is time taken process. That's why you have to keep all things if you want to become a specialist plasma sterilizer. If you want to see, my advice what? If you are a junior, you have to focus all things. Okay. After getting experience, after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, up to 5 years, you have to focus getting proper knowledges all biomedical. If you are interested, if you want to serve a long time. Okay. After that, what happened? After that, you have to focus on one specific equipment. Okay. Then whatever you want to be, see, as a biomedical engineer, service provider means what? Basic things he can check it. Okay, equipment not working means they will check the power supply, they will check the power fuses, they will check the electronic components by using the multimeter. So in that way, is checking is different. Okay, so but only become a specialist means, for example, plasma sterilizer. For any problem you can find out, you can resolve the issue. That is going to become a specialist. Okay, how to become a specialist means, my advice, you have to follow these all things and practice and daily implement. Those are things different complaints. It is going to great experience, and that is going to give the good specialist, and you will get a confident. Okay, right? Come on. Sixth point completed. See here, and seventh point, see here, air or vacuum inlet. See here, I'm not missing anything because of time is very very important. At the same time, valid point also very very important. That's why I'm going to share with you all pin to pin point with patience, with a successful, with a great dedication. I'm giving instructions, right? Because of in real way, whoever have a problem, definitely if you engage one by one point, they will catch it and they will successful, they will do the problem and they will resolve the issues. That much capability will get it my channel, right? Come on. Now see here, seventh point, air or vacuum inlet. See here, this one is air or vacuum inlet. Where is that? We have to find out. See here, this is the air or outlets here. I'm showing here round up here seventh point here. For your knowledge purpose, I'm showing here, but whenever you see this part, then depend on make model, it is going to vary. That is part or not, we have to find out. That much capability we have to gain in your life. That is the challenges in biomedical engineering. And many engineers are fail here only. And many engineers success here only. Because here only, what is the difference between here only problem solver who have talent, that person is going to give the problem solver, then only paid high marks. Okay, for that purpose proper dedication important, and proper keep efforts were also very very important in a right way, right? Come on, come to the point. And air vacuum inlet, what will do? Removes air and moisture from the chamber by the vacuum pump. See here, every components, every parts have a specific responsibilities. Okay, every parts what I'm showing here, they are leading as a proper responsibility, what have to do functions. If not do function single person also, then complete process will be fail. Okay, that's why I'm saying teamwork is important. Everyone should have a proper knowledge, then only teamwork will be get success. If one engineer not perform well, then performance it is point wise, it will decrease, right? So let's come to the point right now. That's why here, see, whatever I'm showing here, parts, components, everything, those all point, definitely every part have a specific unique function priority. That's why I'm giving information this was. Okay, right? Come on. Next here, plasma generated electrode. See here, completed. Next, sixth, seventh point completed. Next, eighth point here, HEPA filter. It is the very very important, and regular basis we have to check it and we have to replace also. Okay, every component is very very important. Some parts are very very base point. If not proper considered proper way, then it may causes to create the major issues in medical equipment. Okay, now we are talking about the plasma sterilizer, and let me say, let me continue, let me finish right now. Okay, come on. HEPA filter, see here. Where is that? Come on with me. You are with me. See HEPA filter, see here. Okay, this is the, see HEPA. These are the small small parts. So when you see this, but those small parts, see here, nearly thousand, more than thousand parts are available in this equipment. But in a simple equipment, that much components are there, that much parts are there, that much technology is excellent. Yeah, understand? So that's why, see, when we compare before 10 years and after 10 years, biomedical engineering is the excellent field, and today many opportunities are coming and many possibilities are there. That's why I'm giving live sessions, because of upcoming have a bright future about the biomedical engineering. Okay, right? Come here, let me continue. So, sixth point, see here, HEPA filter, what will do? Ensures only clean filtered air enters the chamber. It's a very very important. HEPA filter, maximum laboratory equipment we have HEPA filter. Okay, laminar airflow and so many equipments are there. Those are the filters are very very important. Okay, we have to focus while doing our PMS, preventive maintenance. Then we have to check it, and if it is not working, if it is damaged, immediately need to replace. No need to compromise here. Okay, come on. Now ninth point, see here, catalytic converter. See here, breaks down residual H2O2 into water vapor and oxygen. These are the catalytic conductors. See here, this one. Is it visible right now what I'm showing here? Are you clarity? See here, what I'm showing here, this one. See, single day you may not perfect, understand? Take it positive first of all, okay? Take it positive way and step to step, slowly catch the point, and whatever you are learning, you should be confident and you should not forget any time. So that much level you have to do hard work. Okay. So my 18 years of experience means today I am explaining all things. How it is possible to me? Because of every pin to pin I have kept in my brain, kept in my mind, and practice every day because of my work is that is only. Right? Right, come on. Now see here, my dear engineers, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Catalytic converter, what will do? This one breaks down residual H2O2 into water vapor and oxygen. See, whenever you come to know the inner parts of the plasma sterilizer, these are the points very, very important. Every component for getting knowledge purpose, I'm giving here. This is the very powerful points what I'm saying here. Right? Come on, 10th point, see here, my dear engineers. Exhaust filter, see here. Ensure safety exhaust of gas by products. Okay, these are the very, very fun. See, these are the important points. Mostly biomedical engineers are not attend this equipment. Understand? For this purpose, one specialist will come. Otherwise, senior biomedical engineer can handle. But many junior engineers are escaping from there because of, see, sir, I am a junior, sir. I may not have any idea, sir. How can I do it, sir? Everybody, so many 50% engineers are there saying and they try to escape from the work. Okay, then they are expecting too much high salary. Sir, I want to get a salary, high salary, sir. Okay, then why do you expect like that without proper interest? That's why I'm saying pay concentration and try to learn all things and try to be perfect and try to become a skilled engineer. Definitely everything come back to you. My advice, okay? Take it positive. I'm point out means because of I'm giving the solution also. That's why don't do like that, don't be like that, you should be like that. I'm giving instructions based on my experiences by providing my live sessions. Okay, right, come on. Now 11th point, see here. Control electronics means inside part of the plasma sterilizer here, PLC sensor and control board, and manage and fully cycle. Okay. 11th point where? Come on, DC. So here you can find out, see here, my dear engineers, here you can find out, I'm saying always, every medical equipment have a electrical electronic components based on engineering principle manufacture the equipment. So you can find out here, see here, very clearly, see electronic components and electrical everything available here, see. Because of to activate the components purpose, electrical is very, very important. Without power supply, we cannot on the equipment, we cannot activate the components. So that much design based on the engineering principle. That is the power of the technology, right? Come on. Everything is interested, okay? First of all, you have to keep interest and ambition. Ambition, if you have, definitely will get a success. But here, keep in your mind, until you reach this success, nobody support you, nobody encourage you. Okay, what you are, you have to know about yourself and try to focus and try to engage my live session. Definitely, maximum points, 100 or 100%. I'm going to share with you all. And every day I'm going to share here whatever I'm giving instructions, whatever I'm giving live sessions, very worthable, right? Come to the point right now, let me explain. And see, control 11th point completed. Now start 12th point, touch screen display. Okay, user interface for cycle selection and monitoring and alarm. See here, you can find out here. See, these are the this much large equipment, but the display, see here, this all functions, these all components are functions individually. Hundreds of parts are there in the here, but single one display we can find out the issues and we have to depend also because of everything monitor everything here only we can, it is possible to see all things. That is the power of the display. Okay, right? I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes. So this is the what? Internal parts. Okay, these are the not possible to see all things, that much opportunity may not get. Whenever get a problem, after done the troubleshooting settings everything, then only we have to check the open the equipment. Otherwise senior engineers also not show the interest about this equipment because this is the very complicated equipments. Okay, so that's why you before touch the equipment, if you know, if you follow the instructions, definitely will have a great future about this plasma sterilizer. Yes, come on. Come on, very important topic now. Here I'm going to show you, because of very, very important. We have to protect ourselves. And here, electric safety point is very, very important. Listen to carefully. See here. Is it clear right now? My dear engineers? See, till now I'm speaking means my intention is I want to finish. I want to give the full informations about this medical equipment. Okay. That's why I'm giving information very clearly. Try to engage it and let me join with me. Right? Come on. And whoever engaged, subscribe now first of all, and like my channel. Okay, if you like my channel and many people's reaching and many interest also will showing my YouTube channel, definitely I will get a great values. Okay, come on. Electrical safety points. See here, electrical safety points of the plasma sterilizer. Listen to carefully, because of you are a problem solver or not, that is another matter. But as a biomedical engineer, before check the equipment, you have to follow the safety precautions, because within fraction of seconds, life will be loose. Okay, equipment will get damaged. Otherwise, you will get shocked. So that purpose, I'm going to give the instructions. Listen to carefully. Electrical safety points. I'm going to read out now. I'm giving the presentation here. It is visible right now. Yes. Yes. Come on. Electrical safety points here. Plasma sterilizer. Always disconnect power before servicing. This is the very, very important. Okay. Whenever you get a complaint from the hospital, otherwise department, just first of all communicate with that relevant person, relevant department, and catch the point and attend. After switch off the equipment, after switch off 1 hour, half an hour, you have to touch the equipment, because of inside of the equipment there's so many electric storage capacity components will be there. Okay, for that purpose discharge is very, very important. If you switch off and if you remove the power plug from the electrical socket, then automatically it is going to discharge. That's why you should be careful. Always disconnect power before servicing. Very, very important. And use tested and approved equipment. Okay, because of here high voltages will be there. That's why don't do entertainment here, and don't operate wrong way. Okay, if you don't have an idea, don't try to be a hero. Okay, if you don't know, simply accept yourself, because of life is very, very important. Understand? Sir, I don't know, sir. Accept it, no problem. Because of that much capability, that much experience, you may lead to lead it. You have to coordinate. You have to surrender in front of your senior. Sir, I am a junior, sir. You are the senior, sir. Sir, I need your support, sir. Please, sir, help me, sir. One day you ask, because of one day you will become a senior. That time, whenever your junior will ask you, that much capability you should have. Understand? That's why here very positive communication is very, very important. Professional communication is very, very important. Adaptive skills is very, very important. Understand? Right? Come to the point. Let me say electrical safety point. See here. Third point: ensure proper grounding or earthing, and check insulation and wiring regularly, and use MCB, ELCB, and fuses protection. These are the very, very important. See, sometimes what happen, MCB trip, okay, ELCB trip, and fuses blast. Sometimes we will get a complaint like that. Okay, that time no need to worry. Yeah. Okay, no need to worry. First of all, remove the power. I told you before servicing the equipment, you have to remove the power. Then you have to check the power supply. What raw power? See, I am recommending you have to use the UPS power only. Okay, because of whenever we have a problem, electrical issue, high voltages, low voltages, these situations only equipment will get damages. Okay, these situations only fuses will get damaged, MCB will trippage, because of you MCB, ELCB, fuses. These are the protecting devices, and it is not give the opportunity to touch the equipment problem. Okay, their only problem, their only stop the power. So that time you have to check it properly before see, before replacing the fuses MCB. If you got defective, then you have to check the power supply there, main supply. Okay, you have to take the multimeter and you have to keep the proper parameters. What are the requirement? AC. Okay, because of 230 voltage, 240 voltage is the minimum requirement for every medical equipment. But that much voltage coming or not, phase neutral equipment by using multimeter. Okay, phase neutral earthing below 5 or not, just you have to catch it. And if it is if you find anything variations, then definitely immediately take picture and try to be informed and try to make a service report and inform to the hospital management. Immediately resolve the issues, then otherwise you will get a major problem. As a biomedical engineer, you have to give the instructions to the hospital management. Then only they come to know, and they are ready to replace, because of they know the value of the equipment, because of they bought all things. Yes, right. Come on. Now avoid overloaded sockets and circuits. That's why here I'm saying, see here, For this equipment purpose, separate UPS connection is recommended. Okay. The UPS connections, how much voltage required means depend on your make model, what you take, that specification basis we have to use. Okay. Right. Avoid overloaded sockets and circuits. For this purpose, solution what? If you use UPS connections, definitely problem will resolve. And verify. See, UPS, why I'm saying UPS purpose, I have given the proper informations in my live sessions, 2 hours live sessions with very clearly informations. Okay. You know how is my experience, how is my presentations. That's why please keep watch my channel. I will get a great informations. Okay. Right. Now see here, electrical safety points of the plasma sterilizer. Verify voltage rating before connections. These are the very very important. And follow lockout, tang out, lotto. Okay. Next, keep electrical panels clean and dry. These all things, see, regular time not possible. These are the panels. Whenever you do the services, when you do the preventive maintenance, that time you have to keep all things and you have to take care. You have to clean all things. Okay, because of once a time only you will get a great opportunity to touch the equipment, to repair the equipment, and that is the preventive maintenance time. Otherwise, calibration time. Okay, they will give you time. Otherwise, not have a time for this equipment. Yes, I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, my dear engineers, what I'm giving here, these are the valuable informations. Yes, come on. Now, electronic safety points I'm going to see here. See here, I'm going to show you here electrical points, safety points completed, and electronic components, what things need to follow. Okay, as a biomedical engineer, I'm taking this complete live sessions for biomedical engineer purpose. Every points you have to catch the points and you have to resolve. Okay, right, come on, whoever engaged, please subscribe my channel right now. And electronic safety points of the plasma sterilizer. Let me say, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Try to take it seriously because life is very, very important. And you should become a professional biomedical engineering. What I'm saying, please try to follow your instructions in your life. Come on. And electronic safety points here. Use ESD protection, wrist strap mat. Okay. Avoid touching PCB with bare hands. Okay. And ensure proper polarity of components. And use current limited power supply. And check for short circuits before power on. And keep dashboards and boards dust free. And use isolation transformers where required. Handle ICs and sensitive parts with care. And store components in anti-static bags. Okay, I hope you are listening right now. These are the points you have to follow. Understand? Here, see, first of all, as a biomedical, you have to focus what? Safety precautions, not resolve the issues. Because of safety precautions, what? What is the high dangerous component? What is the low danger component? What is the not the danger, not normally? Okay, what are the components and what are the specifications for that purpose? Electronic devices purpose. I have given the proper explanation in my live sessions. And go to my channel and definitely will get a success in your life. Okay, for that purpose, see, daily you have to practice. Single day, single live session, if you attend, you will not become a successful person. Okay, so here I'm giving instructions means what? Try to get all points, and by using my live sessions, you practice and sign up your future because of your life with your hands. Understand? After reaching my top level category, today society is with my hands. Because many engineers are following my instructions. That's why I should give the proper informations that is going to change their life. Yes? Come on, let me join. Now, electronics here, these are the points. So, whatever I said here, these are the points you try to keep in your mind. And whenever you face the problem, then only you come to know. Okay? So, these are the points. Every point depend on experiences I'm giving here. At any situations, you may have raised a problem. Yes? That time, definitely, this live sessions it is going to use in your life. Yes? One day definitely will come. That time you should be capable. My opinion. Come on. Next, see here, accessories with label parts. I want to show you here. Till now, what I explained, see everything. I hope you are getting. And accessories are with label parts. If I show you, then you can understand what are the things are there. What are the things need to sterilization by using this plasma sterilizer equipment. Then you come to know by seeing these pictures. Okay, because of proper practically see. If you are working in colleges, if you are studying in colleges, if you are doing work job, that is completely variations. Okay, then you should know these all points, whatever gap between the college to professional life. Right, come on. Accessories with label parts. I'm going to show you. See here, it is visible right now. It is clear my images. Because of my intention is I want to show you. If it is not visible, that is the no use of all. Yes? Is it visible? Please listen to carefully what I'm saying here. H2O2 cartridge here, how look like? For your knowledge purpose, because of see, these all cartridges, it may be different, it may be vary, depend on make model. So many hospitals wise and corporate hospital, private hospital, whatever it is, depend on hospital wise also it is going to change, yes, but we have to check the parts, accessories by seeing this, we have to understand. But these all parts not provided by the biomedical engineers, okay? Only technical electronic parts, equipment related only to take care biomedical engineer, okay? Technically purpose. And these are things provided by the hospital management only, they will provide, they will arrange all things, whatever required for the equipment, right? Come on. H2O2 cartridge here, cap, cartridge body, and connector. See, first accessory. Next accessory see here, biological. Understand? I hope you are getting right now. Biological indicator see here, cap, indicator strip, and vial. Okay, and see here, tray or shelf, handle, perforated tray. For your knowledge purpose, I am giving here, and maximum equipment information I have shared, and these all information also you should be carefully, should be a knowledge. Okay, I'm giving all information is one of the reason also there, because of at the end of the day you should be a master. Every hospital believes you. If you are in working as a biomedical engineer, if you know these all things, definitely they will respect you. Okay, respect is not easy come. Right, come on. Instrument rack see here, slots, frame, base, and HEPA filter see here how look like. Understand? So HEPA filter see here how look like. This is the very sensitive part. It is the main part, main functions of the HEPA filter, because of it's very important. Okay, if not working, mostly this problem you have to check it this one, and by using gloves and proper infection control protocol, you have to enter. It is very important, because of it is going to kill the microorganisms by heat provide like moisturize. By using this equipment, we have to kill the microorganisms purpose. That's why you should be careful. Okay, we cannot find out also, we cannot see the microorganisms, we cannot see, yes or no? Yes. Now door gaskets here how look like. See, and this all information I'm sharing here means main reason what, whenever you have a problem, then sometimes these accessories also have issue. Okay, sometimes these parts also may have issue, then you have to give the order, give the intent to buy the equipment. For that purpose you have to know the name of the part as a biomedical engineer. That's the reason I'm going to say here. Okay, right, come on. Now here whatever I have explained, I don't highlight here, because of here maximum topics I have explained here, down points here. So sterilization condition I have explained, and what things are recommended I have explained, why need to use explain, and department where available explain. These all points maximum 100% I have explained here, I hope, right? I want to share the one, see here, concentrate area, see here, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. And what I'm saying, listen to carefully. If it is visible or not, that is another matter now. See, biomedical engineers, concentrate areas. I'm going to say listen to carefully and try to note down, because of these are the very important for every biomedical engineers. Equipment, technology, and working principle. Okay. Troubleshooting and fault. Okay. Finding, preventive maintenance and calibration, and biomedical instruments and measurements, quality assurance and regulatory standards, and circuit analysis and analog and digital, and safety standards, IEC, ISO, CE, configurations, and documentation and compliance, NABL, ISO, and risk management and hazard analysis, cost optimization, and vendor management. These are the basic things you have to keep in your mind as a biomedical engineer. Okay, very important. And here what, these are the things focus on biomedical engineering. Yes, I hope you are getting right now. Here I want to share here what positive advice to all engineers based on my experiences till now, what I have provided, everything positive way, and positive advice also I want to tell you, because of your whoever engaged, definitely you are interested and you are the good people whoever engaged. Because of whoever engaged with me, definitely they will be qualified, and the other people are not possible to touch me, because of I'm not maintained with others, because of I'm focusing my career while do my duty, while engage my live sessions complete, they will complete. I don't have time, right? Come on. My strong ambition is I want to give the very valuable information to the society as a citizen. Okay, as a citizen I'm giving, but based on my qualifications, based on my experiences, I want to improve the profession, right? Come on. And keep learning, stay updated with new technologies, fellow safety, and always work with passion, okay? And your knowledge, patience, and responsibility ensure safe patient care and make a big difference in healthcare. You are the real backbone of the hospital, okay? Don't discourage yourself, don't decrease yourself because of the you are the hero in hospital. Understand? If you have completed the graduation also, you almost 50% you completed. Remaining 50% you have to complete. Okay? Then why do you worry? Why do you get fear? Why you are not getting hope? Yes, for that type of confused purpose, I'm going to create the live sessions. By engage my live session, definitely at the end of this session, you will get a very valuable point, I hope. Yes, because so many engineers are giving respond excellent way. That's why today I'm ready to give you confidence in this way. And see here listen to carefully where you are working. Understand, listen to carefully, biomedical engineers. Where you are working, those things should be confident, okay, secret. And if you are working in office, it should be key secret of the office matters. If you are working in hospital, and those things should be secret, because of these are the personal things we should not engage in public area. Okay, what I am giving sharing here, those all informations I am sharing here. Why? Because of social awareness purpose, these all things can provide. Understand, knowledge is very very important. And what I struggled in my life, every engineer is also struggling. If you engage my live sessions, definitely without struggling, you engage my live sessions, you will get a great skills. Yes, right? So I hope you are getting my point very clearly right now. And safety first, quality always, patient care every time. So this much I have explained. Now let come to now next practical exercise I'm going to show here. See, today presentation, see here, 1 to 2 hours, 9 o'clock started. Now 8:56 it is going to over, and it is going to end a second. 2 hours it is going to finish right now. Okay, this topic going to finish, I hope. Now see here, come here, my dear engineers. I hope you are engaging right now. Because of if zero knowledge engineer also, if you are a fresher, then these all points I'm giving means definitely these all points, it is very very correct way I'm giving. Yes, come on. Now see here clear picture it is visible right now. See here what I have shown here, complete picture. See here everything here, label, plasma sterilizer how look like, and accessories, everything, sterilizing instruments and suitable items. See here, this is the complete overview of the equipment. This is the internal part of the equipment. What are the there? See here symbols here, chamber, door lock system, tray or self, and RF generator, plasma and H2O2 injector, vacuum pump, HEPA filter, and catalyst converter, and control board and power supply. These are the things I have explained, right? Now I want to show you very deeply accessories and consumables. So because of you have to know as a biomedical, what are the consumables, what are the accessories, what should provide by the biomedical engineers, you should know, and you should be clarity. Yes. So that's why I'm giving here in this presentation. Many topics I'm giving here because of for your awareness purpose, biomedical engineering performance purpose I'm giving here right now. Yes, subscribe now, whoever engaged. And let me come with me. Let me join now. See here, accessories here. I have shown here. These all the accessories. Now come to these suitable instruments to sterilize. Okay. In plasma sterilizer, what are the things I have told you? Yes or no? So those things I'm going to show you. It is visible right now. See here, it is going to zoom right now. These are the things going to sterilize. Because of here, microorganisms will be there. Because of these all things where while doing surgery time, while doing procedure time, while doing operations time, the every doctors are using these all instruments. Okay, lumen instruments and non-lumen instruments, these are going to sterilize by using the plasma sterilizer. It is going to kill the microorganisms. Because of every patient, okay, every patient before surgery, everything is very very important. Because of that is live surgery is going, that should be careful. That's why they are restricted area. Okay, normal person not allowed in operation theater, only technical biomedical engineer if it is required, and the hospital team will be there. Okay, depend on surgery, depend on operation, the team will be there, that team only have to take all responsibilities. Okay, that time if any complaint coming, then biomedical engineer have to attend. Normally not possible to attend, we have to wear the operation theater, we wear like apparels. Okay, So cloths, everything, and proper instrument, proper mask, proper gloves, everything we have to follow. Very important. Because of hundreds of times we were okay, we follow the instructions and we work. That's why today I'm giving all instructions. By giving my informations, definitely will have a bright future. Ganesh sir always try to give the good, excellent performance. Yes, what I have in my life, everyone should have in your life. That is my intention. Because of I'm focusing professional life, right? Come on. Now see here, suitable instruments to sterilize. See here, by giving this presentation, we come to know what are the things to sterilize by using this plasma sterilizer. Then these are the points here. See, mostly these are things not possible to see in hospitals. Always these are closed area, and if you stay from long distance also, they will throw outside. Okay, don't stay here. These are the very they will give the complaint to the hospital management. That much dangerous. That much they are taking responsibility. Doctors, nursing staff, technician, anesthesiologist, whoever available in the operation theater, technician. Okay. Now see here. Let me show you suitable instruments to sterilize. Lumen instruments see here. Endoscopes will see here. Endoscoping these are probes are see. Okay, and laparoscopic here. These are the instrument. By using this instruments, the doctor will surgery. This instrument is going to inside of the body, right? That's why it's where microorganisms killing here. That is the importance. It is very very important because of see when we get infection out of the body tissue, then we can recovery. When we get infection inside of the body organs, those are the very sensitive. So if it is an infective means it is going to create the big damages. That's why small things we should be careful. That's why we should not give the opportunity. We should not give chance to rise the problem. Okay, and don't ignore small problems. Also, you have to be a see like a microscopic mind. Okay, proactive is very very important. Sometimes what happen, biomedical engineers. Sometimes that is a small problem. Yes, coming here. Leakage is coming. One day what happens suddenly leakage coming, then some completely major issue also happen. That's why whenever you get a complaint, don't ignore, don't keep second priority. Be alert and try to get the information from the hospital, and definitely you will catch the point. Okay, right? I hope you are getting right now what I'm saying here. Yes, see here. These are the lumen instruments. See here how look like catheters and suction tips. These are the more knowledge. Definitely technician will be there, and whoever going to sterilize, once go there and communicate with them as a biomedical engineer. If you want to know more information, practical way interaction is very very important. Okay, right? Come on. And non-lumen instruments see here, forceps, scissors and clamps, retractors. Okay, dental instrument. These are not related to the biomedical engineering, but these are things in instructions. These are the instruments you have to know because of you have to operate the equipment, you have to resolve the issues. For that purpose, you have to know what are the things going to sterilize in this plasma sterilizer equipment. These are the important. I hope these are valuable information I have said here, right? Yes, come on. I hope you got it very clear right now. So I hope successfully full complete information, full-fledged knowledge I have given about the plasma sterilizer. I hope. Yes. And stage. Whenever you attend a complaint, then that time different problem will come. That is the power of the biomedical engineer. What? If you have a 10 years of experience also, 11th year, maybe new problem will come. That's why every time dedication is important, every time focus is important. Okay. Every time should be alert. Biomedical engineering is the risky and challenge and have a bright future. Whoever follow the instructions, whoever go with a professional way, right? Come on. I hope you who are listening, please subscribe my channel right now and see here what is suitable to do in your plasma sterilizer. See here. Sterilizes heat and moisture sensitive medical devices and suitable for delicate and precision instruments and effective for both lumen and non-lumen instruments and low temperature process 37 to 55 degrees. Okay, please keep in your mind these are the main temperature. For example, plasma, okay, 37 to 55 maximum minimum ranges we can say. Okay, and leaves no toxic residue. And somebody ask you question like interview, plasma sterilization, it is a residual or toxic or not? You can say, sir, it is a non-toxic sir, residue, sir. Why? Means then if you engage my license, complete information you can give the whenever required. Okay. Because of see in biomedical engineer, whenever you get a opportunity, we cannot say. But when you got a good opportunity, then that time you should be capable. That's why I'm providing live sessions. Okay. If you follow my regular live sessions, and one day you will get a great opportunity, that time you should be capable to lead your life. Okay. Right. Definitely come. Next, see here, technical specifications. See here, I'm going to show here. Because of now, I'm going to end this session because of maximum 100 out of 100 points. I'm going to finish. Now, here, many technical specifications I'm going to share here. Summary purpose. Okay. See here, chamber material. Okay, chamber material what? Stainless. See here, 316 liter. Okay. This is depend on equipment manufacturer because of some engineers, some hospitals, they are taking different capacity of the plasma sterilizer. Okay, the capacity, how much liters are there here, and vacuum levels here 0 minus 0.8 to 0.8 0.9 bar, and different types of plasma sterilizer available in the local market. Different companies are there providing by the top level. So everything hospital management can decide, right? Okay. For your knowledge purpose, I'm sharing here which are not available in the hospital area, which are not available in the practical way. Those are things I'm giving here by based on my experiences, right? And chamber volume, see here, 45 to 100 liters varies. Okay, these are the very important. For example, sterilizer. These are the things very important to know as a biomedical engineer. See, till now, multiple topics I have shared here, and what are the required point? Try to select it and try to catch it and try to improve in your life, right? Come on. And cycles times here 25 to 75 minutes varies, and H2O to concentration 35% solution. See, these are the very important points you have to keep in your mind. Understand? My live sessions, it is going to help you to provide the services and to provide the training and to improve your career and to improve your skills purpose. Multiple way my live sessions is going to improve because of I have multiple options and multiple skills in my life for all over experiences I'm using, and I'm giving the live sessions here. Okay. Now see here H2O to concentration 35% solution, and power supply 220 to 240 voltage AC 50 or 60 Hz. These are the main basic requirement for every medical equipment. What 220 to 240 is a very demand equipment because of inside of the equipment electronic components are limited specifications based on the engineering principle going to manufacture by the companies, right? And see here vacuum level, see here 0 minus 0.8 to 0.9 bar, and plasma technology RF radio frequency is very important, and display touchscreen and data output USB printer or Ethernet, and HEPA filters here 0.3 microamp to 99.97 percentage efficiency. Okay, so these are the important points and precautions here, and safety precautions and features. Only 2 points. I'm going to end this session successfully today. I have completed. Thank you so much whoever engaged, and let me continue. 2 points. I'm going to finish this chapter. Precautions and safety precautions here. Door interlock safety, over temperature protection, low H2O2 alert, automatic fault detection, HEPA filter Rakshat, and complies with ISO standards. See, these are things why pin to pin I'm giving means that much dedication I'm giving means that much respect I'm giving means you have to understand about my Ganesh sir. Okay, so that's why positive way, and daily I'm also learning new topics as a state level regional manager, state level state project head. So that much level I'm leading, I'm doing, I'm practicing, and daily I'm providing live sessions. One day we will success. Okay, I have achieved, I have success in my life, and completely society purpose. I will be success with your encouragement. Okay, with your engagement. Come on. No suitable items see here. Non-suitable items you have to keep in your mind. These are the very important because of these are sterilization purpose. What happens sometimes failure. Why? Because of see here powder, cotton, linen, and cellulose items, paper cloth, and liquids and open containers, and sharp items not in proper way. Okay, tray and items with residual bladder, soil, implantable active devices. See, these are things you have to check it. These all things biomedical engineer not will check it because of the technician will be there. Because biomedical engineer are not available. Whenever get a problem, then only stay in front of the equipment. They have to check it problem and resolve the issues as a biomedical. Yes, yes. So these are the non-suitable items you have to keep in your mind. Very important, and you have to give instructions to the technician. Sometimes technician also may not have an idea because of he is also new person. He is also learner. So we have to give the opportunity. That's why if you have a proper knowledge, definitely we will give the support to the all the peoples. Understand? As a human, ultimately we have to grow our life and we have to protect our health, and we have to maintain the healthy and wealthy life. Right? Come on. Thank you so much, friends. Still much capability I'm giving. I'm getting means that much energy you people are giving. Understand? Safety, effective, reliable, ideal for CSSD hospitals, clinicals, endoscopy, central, all healthcare facilities. So these are the maximum points I have shared here. I hope you got it very clear right now. See, these all points I have shared here. See, these all informations I bring you. Everyone have a information properly. I know, but presentation is not a simple. Understand? Whoever have a great real hospital experience, that person only can give these all instructions. As now successfully completed this live session. Now I'm going to stop this presentation. I'm going to interact right now. Understand? Say this much completely struggle, completely sweat coming, completely tight, but my mind not tight. Okay. So we are the human. We have to be simple, and we should maintain our life as a professional way. As your biomedical engineers, skill is important. Understand? Right? Come on. Now here, please famous company manufacture this device. Okay. Right. So for this purpose, see here, thermo. Okay. Thermo pimple is the like excellent because of I found many hospital area thermo pimple I found for this one plasma sterilizer purpose. Okay. I can recommend plasma thermo pimple because of lab equipments providing by that company. That is the top level. Lot of companies are there in the society in globally, but I'm giving preference because of lot of hospitals I found this thermo pimple. Okay. Right. Now see here, thank you so much, and subscribe my channel. I hope in this way live sessions, I hope it is very very useful in our life. Now I want to show you all people's newcomers, new joiners, freshers. I want to show you how to check my channel in Google, because of many people are engaging after completion of this live session. They may not get notifications about my channel, right? So that's why many people's engaging means then many people's many chances to know these all informations to improve your career, right? Let me show you right now. Today I want to show you how to check my channel because of today's successfully live session completed. And now I want to, before end this session, I want to show you that is how to check my channel and what are the upcoming live sessions will be there. Then you can find out. Then it is possible to lead what, to engage my live sessions, right? Come on, let me show you right now. I will open the Google format. Wait, I will share it now with you. Then it is possible to see all things. Yes, successfully I have shared here. It is possible now. Yes. Okay. Now see here. Select Ganesh, Ganesh. Okay. And see here, Ganesh SBME special advisor. If you type small only, automatically come. But if you're a new person, this in this way not coming, then what will come? Ganesh SBME. See here, SBME special, SPECIAL special advisor. Okay, coming. Now enter. If you are using laptop, then you enter. If you mobile, then enter. See here, it is visible right now. See, this is all types of engineers I'm going to see. Whoever interested, whoever want to join in my live sessions without paying anything. Okay, no need to pay single rupee. Also, I'm not expecting from money because of sufficient money I'm getting from my qualifications and job. Okay, I'm doing job state level region operations. But every engineer should have a proper knowledge. That's why a positive mind. I'm going to give you awareness purpose here. Now, come on, click here, my YouTube channel here. How to check it? I'm going to show you because these are the very very important to know. First watch my session, first watch my YouTube channel, what are the videos are there and what are the requirements, and what you have doubt. Based on that doubt, that video available or not, find out, check it. If it is not available, then give me comment in my live sessions. Definitely based on your comment, based on your doubt, I will make a one live session, proper explanation, lively I will explain. Okay, come on, it is coming now, it is display. So now 2 hours completed, 9 o'clock started, now 11:13. Okay. So almost 2 hours completed. That's why it is going to struck network. I'm going to, again, I will show you, see here right now. Right, come on. Because of network slow, but I want to show you my channel. Then you come to know what is the importance of the biomedical engineering. See here. It's me only, different videos available in my channel. I want to show you first of all. We will go in our channel. I hope it is visible right now. Here, is it visible, my dear engineers? Now see here. This is my YouTube channel by Ganesh SBME Special Advisor. And about section, you can see lot of informations are see here. Okay. And next, home page, and now live is going, plasma live member, it is going to record also. Okay, it is going to record and I will save in my playlist. You can watch anytime. So today I was, sir, again I will, can I get it, sir, this information? If you have a doubt, then definitely you will get information through my live session. See here how many live sessions I have provided. See now, if you come to see live, then many lots of, see, hundreds of live sessions I have provided here. See, is it clear? Is it visible right now? But because of these are the very, very important, whoever not subscribed, please subscribe now. Because of every notification you have to get it, because of every day you have to engage my live sessions, because of mandatory is you have to improve your skills. See here, every day I have provided different concepts. I have provided excellent, that is everything available. See here, very clearly I have explained. Now see here, come to the point right now. Biomedical engineers, plasma today successfully completed, live is going, and tomorrow surgical light. See here, understand? Now I'm going to show you right now. See here, tomorrow I will give the live presentation, very dedication. Tomorrow live session, see here, 16, okay? 16/7/2026, 9 p.m. Tomorrow I will come, OT light, surgical light, very full-fledged knowledge I will share you. And by engage my live sessions, definitely you are the biomedical engineer, you can resolve the issues, okay? So like, okay, I like my session, and you also like my session, okay? So in this way, you have to check it, and this one you can find out. And playlist, see here, my dear engineers, whoever engaged, see here my playlist. If you want to know more information, okay, if you want to lot of information to know about the biomedical, because of, see, my YouTube channel only for biomedical engineering stream, okay, how to become a biomedical engineer, how to start our career in qualifications, so diploma, special diploma in electronics in biomedical engineering, BTech biomedical engineering, how to do everything subject wise. I have given instructions here. Playlist, you can find out, see, different depend on title, you can find out multiple topics I have provided here. See, is it clear right now? Is it visible? So these are all my hard work, understand? See here, these all things I'm giving means, see, today I'm giving efforts means, definitely one day is the biggest challenge, biggest education channel in this society. Okay, these all things here. But upcoming live sessions, so 1000 plus live sessions I'm going to give. Okay, try to engage, and if you're interested, and if your friends also will be there, try to share with them, they also engage, and together we can learn, together we can improve our skills, and together we have to lead our life as a successful. Okay, so these are the important. See how many, see, if you scroll, coming, see, lot of equipment, lot of topics I have provided here in my live sessions. I hope you got it very clear right now. So in this way, because of my ambition is I want to create the biggest platform in the society, that is the, as a citizen of the society, because of awareness is very, very important for biomedical engineering purpose. Excellent information, very, very important, because of now we are excellent field, and complete human technology depend on biomedical equipment only. Okay, because of ultimately we have to take care about our health and wealth. Okay, if you are perfect in health, automatically wealth will come. Okay, right, come on. I hope you are listening my voice. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to stop this presentation. And see, thank you so much. Tomorrow we will come back again, okay, 9 p.m. And tomorrow also 1 to 2 hours will be there. Regard operation theater, surgical light. That is very, very important for OT, okay? Thank you so much. Jai Hind. Have a bright future. Keep smile on your face, and ambition is very, very important in our life. Our job is a passion. Okay? Come on.